The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Last week we were operating.
Hey,
On
you're
the
going
slave.
to see the real me.
but I don't think they're better like that.
Yeah,
it's okay.
It's crisp. Always
Yeah. Pong kala open. Singizama ukuze like libe lama celebrity moments. Because of
No,
this podcast.
but like I'm saying, go on.
Would you like
Ivumi amawanke.
Sorry.
Dial it down, bro.
Yeah.
So bengisithi like libe le moment yokuthi lehlangana labantu like abalazela from what you guys do, maybe podcast or music yakho kube lokuyi weird vibe okutholakala nje just ukuhlangana nomuntu.
Like when you say weird, what do you mean?
Like umuntu
I think
aqale
the
su
word is
actor
awkward,
fun.
right?
Yeah, awkward. Qale su actor fun nje.
Bad is the word.
Oh yeah, and guys will act fine.
Yeah.
Nah, man, I can't say it's happened to me.
Yeah.
I'm approached by normal people. Sorry.
So I was really awkward.
Once in a while, guy, but that actually happens on social media, not in real life.
Social media bakubenzani bakuthumela amanudu.
Actually, funniest thing is, I don't know.
Ukhoneka thola
Let me not
amanudu
say
because
this.
this podcast is
Lapha ke bese ngizishisa.
Lapha lubo ngubuza lolu ukuthi khona thina sizabuza lalo.
it's
Bese
right.
lukhulu. Bese
No,
luphendula.
yazini lalela amfuna ukuthi limbuze mina ngifuna ukuthi amajita akholisa yini imisebenzi ye podcast because we're not making any money here. So kuyamele kuqhathekile ukuthi yabona kwamanye ama
I think
departments.
ayakhuluma kulothoma kwanika iRed Bull ku6th Avenue. I forgot to ask for his name, bro.
Yeah.
Lo muntu okwanika iRed Bull ku6th Avenue.
I remember
Yabona
that
ama
one.
shop lana. Ngakukhuluma ku podcast laba.
Yeah, I think
Uncenga
go.
ngixoxela just.
Yeah.
Ama shop lana ku6th Avenue masongana usuyapha ugcwele khona imchofa. He works at a shop there, so he saw me load izinto emoteni.
They're not cherry.
I'm not. That's something that does happen regularly. Like as long as ngingena town kuzayenzakala vele.
The last one is
I'm
better.
just saying. There's something that happens regularly.
What are you doing regularly?
But last week we pulled up to an event and then people shouted us out.
Wait, where was that?
At stopover. there.
Yeah, mama event is this cheers one.
We were just lulling.
Kati
bro.
mina wathi
It wasn't
etshwaleni
even
angikhambe
it
mbaya.
wasn't even like a kui like that. We were just lulling and then people were like, "Oh,
But you know the funniest thing is-
food.
The one place that's known for shout outs in Malawi has never shouted us out. Though.
What's that?
Knows by Ekotun.
Hey, don't make me say things.
No, man, you said it on Twitter.
Owathi
Man, you said it on Twitter. Say it here.
owathi
Let's
thina
continue.
wathi thina siwafuna ama shout out imba.
Mina what I usually do.
Mina sengayitholi shout out.
No, I'm saying I told
But
her, but
engekho kuno engaveri but eCotton sengayitholi.
no, I've gotten.
What are we gonna-
Because remember the last time we went to Cotton we were going crazy, bro.
Oh
We
yeah,
got a
yeah,
shout out that day.
yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Nah, I mean, it wasn't the podcast. It was the Amapiano Fest.
Yeah, it was just on our capacity.
Yeah,
with
individual.
we were just
You
balling
know.
that day.
I just remembered something.
Sure.
This weekend even ngixoxa
I'm actually looking for something here.
lo 4-4.
Yeah.
U4 kade sithi. Now do what kwesinye isikhathi ku podcast longile vele khuluma at the same time. Ngathi that's problem kwini. Ukuthi singamajita we usually hang out together. Because isikhathi esinye siyabe sixoxa lapha esinye sixoxa lapha. So ngasikwenza lapha kwesinye isikhathi siyabe sizwana. But bengikhale lezi besezikhale sithi uyakhuluma last time sekhotho. Maybe sezikhotho. And lapha sefuqa ukukhuluma something else la. But ke last time sekhotho uyakhuluma sikhipha njani?
Yikho
But
kunzima.
yeah,
I mean, I wanted to say, I just usually get people who obviously have or input or amachitati. I like the podcast. I've been following, which was the first for me because for the most part I thought I was supposed to be
Yeah.
proud, but for the podcast,
yeah, abantu ababukela podcast le balengqondo most of them.
there's a guy called Umzi engahlangana la eStopov.
Yeah.
This guy uspane Sierra Leone dog.
Yes.
Para kuthi episode. Wayentshela ukuthi uloku uzovuya wathutsha lapha uloku zenini ever since kwabuya ubani ngathi
Ever since kwabuya ubani kwabanjani?
Yo.
asithi uma40 obviously this is the most popular one that you get to as uma40 atifika engicaphula. But this episodes went by ngasenanzela awuthomlonga.
There's a method to his madness.
There's a method to his madness. We are Robert Dopi podcast.
I'm a 40 member, see.
I'm a 40.
So like I want us to give shout outs to members of the channel. Yeah, so yobandi xoxa ngisazama thing.
Oh kodwa umgcini uyalixoxa story sakhe umgcini sathi garden farms lo mnye Cherry kuyithabela podcast.
Ulamanga.
Sathi lokho sixoxa no Cherry then umgcini senze ijoke mina sengihleka Cherry wathi kodwa I did fast.
What was I laugh?
What was
But
wait.
Malushane West Coast.
So phela ngamfika endaweni
And lapho
ngithi
still okhuluma
shut up. No, I just have to shut up because people are going to
Wena mele ufike like ungathola kule event lapha nti njani bhuda imali ikungena $20. Ngena to.
Bese zinye zebe zingeni lona sosele.
Usele. Ngasaka ngedwa.
But yeah, like how many of your friends, like friends, Manziti friends, can one day interact on a daily basis? How many of them watch the podcast?
I don't think, but people I talk to, eziningi
You tell your friends, you tell them.
Yeah, but no, when to some extent, you please you understand that because you are back.
You want to try now, my
Yo, Peru, I give an
last week uba kanuni sendile message esithi uyakwazi it's so funny ukuthi every week kumele ngihlale phansi ngithi TV ngubukele obe ngizendile screenshot awazendile pictures lezi esithi ngilumebukele so I know uba kani andile gwebu most of my homosexual friends wena namba qambile
most of you Oh yeah, because that's what we taking it with this local is
LGBTQ yes support
Yes, too much.
Andile gwebu mama qambe kathesa
Otamuka.
onije
Sharap.
oh ngobaje ophana
Opana.
onjo
Why you take Opana?
No, bro, Opana like they are proactive.
how much the LGBTQ but
okay.
abukeli so shout out boys we love you but not like that
Take it ukuthi wela bangana bami.
Yes,
Ukwenza
mele
ukuthi
we
ube
diversify.
aba
Yes.
flagrant
Not ukuthi ufuna ukuthi
Flamboyant.
yabo.
I know in this fight set up, but yes, shout out, on a real though, shout out to LGBTQ communities we get like, because sometimes we
Yeah,
we tiptoe on the line, but yeah,
mele
you guys have never cancelled us. Shout out to you.
But no praise, I'll praise Ambulala. What you gonna shout out to 80 song in 2 fingers?
abathezi kathi
Orapane guys, dog.
I didn't mean it like that guys that was just coincidence
What I'm saying is we need an episode like of abantu be community siwazi ukuthi bona.
Please remember Luana Lwa.
Upokon.
Luana.
Ujona.
uvuyi uvuyi
No, uza khuluma after because hey,
I think sesake saba lo muntu oyi-1
yeah, but
Oh.
but in like 100 and what episodes
no, but I feel like futhi well, angazi la wakhuluma ukuthi he is not like a representative
Of the
the masses, yeah, of
Yeah, who's
the
Dabane?
like wengakwazi ukuthi yena information engesasembuza yena la wengana akakwazi.
Oh, okay.
So sifuna
Aleni
like
uzithendela amadoda civil rights akawugeni
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Sengaye ngakubona I think kulomunye futhi wakuhamba ku Make G la angazi ukuthi babe sesabukhansela and la wathi guys I'm speaking on my capacity. I'm not
Personally,
speaking
yeah.
for
very
everyone.
tough like very crowded there.
Yeah.
but it's
Even towards each other, I
Yeah.
suppose. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
eminye imbuzo siyabe singayibuzi because sifuna ukuba ngama-homophobe but
No, fella, we can't be homophobic. We've got gay friends.
bro, ufana nalo muntu othi we cannot be racist.
Because how can someone be racist when they've got black friends?
Shut up.
Really, it can't.
Sifuna siqalise
Ufuna sikazi ukufundisa isikhathi uDr. Uma
sifuna
nani
ukumqhweba uDr. Uma ezidlalele.
sisasuka
You know what, bro?
You know what, bro?
Black History Month, bro.
black aggression wamuzi uma kungoma kazuthi kokdope lenu state of mind current state of mind 4 the last song you put out
Yes.
wathi eqala ngahle ngamuzwa mfana prophet wami ngathi ngathi going on here
No, but bengibuzele ukuthi ngathi mbuzo ukuthi how many of your friends watch the I feel like mina kimi bro balutshwana abantu ababukela like
I'm not a lot of my friends.
course,
watch this
though, I
particular
think-
podcast, yeah.
okunye
Fraction
besengasakwazi ukuthi is it because what they're doing here like akulendi kibo or
akunye vele Jake ngoba labangana abayi10 probably 3 or 4 at best baba bebukela.
mina kwazi ukuthi ingcenye
Abanye abayi-6
mina kusaqala like my first couple of episodes here
Yeah.
I know most of my closest friends used to watch but after a while it's another week I don't know ngani kunjalo into khona
Yeah, but usungoba blame abangani bakho but kulomanye ama reasons obele wafake.
No, mina I'm
Namhlanje
playing.
sithi happy independent Zimbabwe but idatha linzima bafowethu.
No,
Athi khona ezinye ziphelela ngeWhatsApp bank.
Inside.
Yeah, ezinye ziphelela ngeWhatsApp bank.
abangani bami sibukela sonke
and,
into zabantu abadala.
I'll finish.
Download.
abanye ipoint ye-JB nyayiso especially into ye-data it's not saying to yamajita broke but because for me my friends who watch the podcast
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
Chain ngakho.
English nuts.
My friends ababukela
Yeah.
i-podcast the most outside of the country ngoba embaqamba abe-SA
Exactly.
or ngabe-UK
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even like him, no, most of the people babukela i-podcast ngabe UK. Babe outside the country, UK, even South Africa. But most of them ungabe bukela abanye babe off from emsebenzini. Into wazingaluka gespanwa ngathi. Maybe
Yeah.
teaching aphele kathi chayisa.
You can go.
No, like,
the opinions of
wait.
one JB do not represent the opinions of the show
yeah, of
and our
the-
stakeholders
because but no into ngitsho yani maybe ngabanye babukela but abakhuluma abakhomenti bazitshela ukuthi maybe babukela
Ama-ghost money.
so guys please xa ungazake ucomment xa ungakazi ngitsho la ka1 comment sicela ucomment episode le just
abantu kulabo
ongumlilo
ababukela ama-TV futhi.
Even
No, like, fala amafoni.
dot nje.
bala amafoni so uma uthi ubukele i-TV khipha ifoni yakho uhambe ku-YouTube garesi uhambile ukhuze lisenza khonokhu msakaka ngaboya
enye into futhi abantu abaningi basibukela besemsebenzini and abantu bezimbabwe abasebenzi so iphelela khona ungananzela wonke umuntu othi Monday morning I'm at work what
i-Wi-Fi
ezethu
emsebenzini.
zizi at working ngaphi lezi
Yeah. Kutheni kanti? Kutheni? What happened?
I don't even know what happened. I'm trying to fix it.
Oh, like asekho bena ndini.
Yeah, asisekho. We're out.
But I know. See, sisazama ukulungisisa. A special shout out to
technical difficulty
ama members ethu. Silo bango 22. Bango 22. Silo Primrose. Shout out to Primrose. Yamani Mpofu. Mele live lisithi mfomfomfwe phela or something.
pressure
No, but lawa phela wena imnandi moyisha like like
Njani?
imnandi moyisha like
what's it
Hi guys. No Didi, bro.
Imnandi ngayishaya.
Nandima uyisha live.
Indaba zasifaka
Hey, but lami ngirongo man.
Hayi ndikhulumele i-FDF le.
Shit. Nandima uyisha live. Yes.
Mangisha askuni.
Uyisha live. Pride Mkandla, Mpex Cyber, alozi yamazi lo.
Bags.
Silo so right.
Yeah, we're live.
Elite.
We're live.
We're good now. Silo Thandi, Silo Charles Ndlovu, Malcolm Ndlovu, laba ngathi ngama family members.
Akavuyi.
Maybe ncenga umfazi lendoda. Asazi,
Not really, bro. Ndlovu is literally the most common surname in Southern Africa. So,
It's also slow as Hamilton Love.
So Silo Tomba. Bano Hamilton. Pongo xoxa.
Utsho mlando to atshontsha imali nge-lockdown wathenga ama-SUV like adula kakhulu amaningi so like
Watshontsha
like imuli yakhe maybe babe yi-5 and
abazwe-7 colours.
wait, egoli.
Yeah.
utshontsha imali ye-PPE
Awugatsheni.
Zimbabwe lapha.
kodwa wona vuya ibhizi utshontshana le nyama ushashura inyama kulo utshontsha imali abanye ondlovu batshontsha imoto ngayo
Yes.
It's true.
Yazi utshontsha into ezinhle. Silo twa
But vele sponsor kondlovu vele uhlubona vele silinganisile something phakathi.
obet kumele simi-investigate
Yabo. Vele sona isibongo kwawo. Bese betshontshe lokuzidema uzothi khona boya benyathi.
bona bengelaboya
Yabona.
Uphethe umbani wena?
esos.
hey obet ndlovu
Ndlovu mbani nje?
Liza zidinge lezi izinto bangani. Nanisashaya ama special shout out.
Okunye lisethi kuzinyela ngelanga le-independence linabafana.
Shaya ama special shout out la. Special shout out to Tongo Horrid. Is it Horrid Fast dog? Is this Horrid? Horrid. Yeah, Horrid Fast. Zomhle. Isaac Chats. Le yakomenta le like.
Hey, out yami le. Iphura lami le ngagereza la.
Oh, he's part of the community as
Hayi
well.
iphura lami le. Shout out Isaac Chats.
Yeah, Isaac Chats Zama Xaba Dumo loyo moyo engudumo ayekele ukukhomenta vele yabi one of the first people wena abakhomentayo laba lo Andile Mgwebo ifirst lady ngiyazi.
This is my bro, this one.
Oh, he's part of the
This
LGBTQ.
guy is a strong contender.
Shout out, bro.
LGBT. Shout out.
Dumo unguye ngimaziyo. I actually learned with him. Shout out to him, yeah.
He's a light skinned guy. He's very light skinned, suspiciously light skinned.
Oh, your guy.
This one I'm talking
Lo
about.
esimniki shout out to
yes,
a member
yes,
like
yes.
a member of the
U
channel.
Andile Gwebo. The suspiciously light skinned guy.
He's a
That's
gay.
the one who are shouting out here.
Alright. Shout
The
out.
homosexual.
Shout out to you, bro.
Alright.
Silo Nandi, Silo Kelvin BK, Yoli, Michelle Mgoni, Jordan Dumeshes, Jordan Dumeshes, Mawana Sbindi, Trish Kuma, the girl from Bulawayo, Lovan Kumar. Yeah, these are our
shout out to
22,
Van Kuma
22 members. We need 100. Singathola 100. Kuphela abantu abakwanisa ukujoyina. Singaba sharp podcast le. Singaphumelela njani?
Thengele lo Jane stand ihla sithi singabambisa uJane mic.
There is namhla isandla zakhe sinyelile washo wadaya.
kabuya.
Yabuya so akwanisa ukubamba imic. So please guys.
Mike.
MJ, awusitshele la.
Uzositshela kuma comments. Ladies
Lana vele
and gentlemen.
awenze eminye imisebenzi ngesandla leso MJ
Yeah.
translator to English msebenzi
Ama jobs.
yes
Inyele ngelanga le-independent. uJane uzathi simqala ngoba bengekho guys. Ngiqala ngikhona.
Weniqala ngona. Ngilinyele imqale.
Semezaba
Talk to me direct.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the Bureau Podcast. Ingxoxo 99.
Umsangano and shit.
We are back. How are you guys doing? Bawuqathekile.
Ayibona ngale check on your friends yade sisende groupini. Kade record sithi check on your friends yabingena eroomini ibuza umjita wathi, "Hey bro, how far?" Umjita wathi, "I lost all my money gambling about to end my life." Better day tomorrow, bro. It's from there, there might be no tomorrow. Please, bro, don't trauma dump on me, bro.
Ethi hayi.
So we check on you, but he doesn't want to popota too much. Yo. Relax.
Hold up.
This
Yeah,
reminds
what's
me of a
what's in
story
your
from
problem?
last week. I think Cape Rizia Kombula. The time we did a little group call, right? Then at the end of it, right, I think how much it is I would sure good night.
So selilokhu limile.
Sure.
See what it is.
Nathi suyivese emphuma. Kathi sebesilaleleni.
Good night, boy.
There was only about 6 niggas. So what I lale kuhle bahle. Ngathi ngayishaya mina ngathi hayi ayihlukani bafethu. Ayihlukani ngaxabene.
So lehlile ukuthi good night.
Mama jina.
Good night, I love you, dogs.
Ungathi nje lokuvalelisana nje kamajita kakwanisi.
Akaba awkward. Morisa singazisitshela ukuthi good night.
Ke kutsho into yenza ngabo.
Ulale kahle.
Kumele i-silence lana usihleke njani?
But ngifuna ukuzama namuhla.
Anyway, good night guys.
Good night, boys.
Good night, boys.
Ulale kahle.
Doesn't even sound
Okanye
right, bro.
siyenza.
This is the end. You guys know that movie. Jonah Hill, Seth Rogen, what where ever since James Franco, then there's an apocalypse, all right. There was actors ngama celebrity. So there's a scene esezilala khona ngoba kuyazi apocalypse izizodwa. And Jonah Hill is going, good night my sweet guys. Into le uRico in 10 years imhlanyisa. uRico kayekela uthi good night my sweet guys.
Good night, my sweet guys.
I said good night my sweet guys.
No, but James mele sifundise ukuvalelisana. Ngishaya amajita ngo good night.
Nah.
Lamza for the boys.
Uprizi.
Sibuqama manga.
Hayi.
Sibuqama manga.
Uprizi esahlanye. Yabanani? Xa lifuna ukubukela like uprizi so wow. Like angazi ngihamba njani. Uprizi bro kule episode akathi we should smash as bros.
Abala ngathi
Asakubona.
nganatha labanga good. Labanganatha during
What
i-podcast.
as bros? We should smash as bros. Ngiyamanga
Like
uthi ama-text sonke la.
smash honeys in the same room.
Zamajita.
Ezamajita vuka. Indunde. Usky.
Ayibona wakule membe ayibhale yathi once I get this exchange all of my
Oh,
niggas
yeah,
getting
I
some
saw
pussy.
that. I saw
And you
that.
comment yathi please bro. So yikwaqala khona indaba yokuthi because asibuzana ngamajita egroupini kodwa so much into yedwa engathi is exchange. Ungasihlabisa iningwane
Ngoba kwakule item lana umjito lona waphuma i-item
esandleni.
i-private party esandleni.
Yazela ukuhlaba.
Hamembe amanje. Phongoletha phela kuyisandla uyakhangela ngale.
Angene sifake isandla.
Sifake isandla lenzo. Ngikhuluma indaba yokuventa lo usisade ngikhuluma la sithi bephonga ukuthi respond to status somuntu. Respond status umuntu angona waqalisa ukuventa.
Yes.
Impilo engcono yayenda ayisikho.
Ngehlise phoza.
Zivele lami zimphethe ndoda.
Especially if you're in this country. Me, I feel like, dog, if you're in this country also, everyone has problems. This is the one place where you know everyone has problems.
But kule story esi effed up like uRalpha angazi ngubani nguvuyi. Vuyi uhambe njani story zendwango lesiya because mina
Right.
because mina ngikho ku Twitter. So into yangikhona iqale yangiconfuse because uthumele kuyimeme zayifaka lapha imeme yangikhona but just give people context. Range up uhambe njani.
All right. So first of all, we don't know how far true it is. All we know is that it's a very entertaining story.
Yeah.
Right. So remember, iti zazise Mbutsi roundabout. It's a popular boarding sport in Harare. Zifuna ukugada i-transport esiya emaswingo, right? Kwabe kudlula igonyeti, i-truck. And then the driver was like, no ngenani mzalishaja 3 past
Sure.
to Bait Bridge. So they're like, $3 to Bait
$3.
Bridge, bro.
Mncane kakhulu i-3 bucks.
Lay up.
You know, like sweet. Izangena phakathi emotweni. Sahamba mbijana. Remember lana besithi ndisathi ndakanganwa ngingakakholi. Ngicela ama $3 lana. Zathi sweet no pressure.
Sihle simgayi.
Sihle simgayi vele. Kasikholisa uhambo lethu.
Yeah.
Zamgaya. Wabasha. Bahamba futhi mbijana. And then oyiwana bese check udriver bona ukusela driver.
Ilanga la selithwe wasokumnyama.
Wasokumnyama.
Babona udriver asikho.
Udriver seyilokuzini.
So uthe
Indwangu.
Indongs i-traffic konye.
Indongs i-traffic konye. sisathi simangele lapha indwangu lana ethi
indlela ekhuluma ngayembu la ebazukuru sekura asatha kanga
usekure ngakakhodli ngethana ama-$3 kana phela
Chama 3 pasta angakhohlwa.
so remember
athi aswi bamnika ama-3 pasta
But ngicanga ukubuza asithini ithe sithe ebhasini.
bona babe sesabunegotiate le ndwangu dok so babe sithi bengayinika babone ngani kuzahle kuphela
Njala vele khokenti sokule ndwangu. Indwangu sisicela imali.
Vele siyayinika. Mina I don't think kulo
ongazi kunika indwangu
Why imagine indwangu lana jingle i-truck ku-120 so awukwanisi kuphuma
ndisathi ndakangana.
kodwa indwangu lana jingle ibopha umsiri ndoda so yeah. So that's the second time, right? And then babona after some time babona umdala asephendukile. Umdala yena vele sekukhohli ukuthi uke wathatha imali. Wathi basukuru ngicela nama-$3 ana phela.
Umdala uspinile la wacela futhi imali.
So the way it happened and this is how the story goes.
Umdala vele like kuchinje mina bengisitshela ukuthi bekuyindwangu bro.
Hayi,
Hayi wena isishona sikhuthile lapha.
Hayi,
shona
Jay.
sikulahlile futhi
You guys didn't listen to the whole thing, bruh.
I listened to the whole
listened to
voice
the whole
bro.
thing, like
Yazi
10 times,
umjida utheni? Umjida uthe mina ngithe ngisehla bese ngibhadale $27.
Anti wakutshintshanisa nje.
ukhululana to ayiphenduke endwangu ngicela imali
Uthe mina ngabhadala ka9. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi
bayali nje babenza negotiate lapho indwangu yayilokhu icela dok so after vele membe like 30-45 minutes ibicela igidaba zukuru sekura kanga 3 parts
Mina I think indwangu yapho ngu-reformat. Indwangu yapho ngufundisa ukuthi creme okwenzakala uthi my driver wena urepeat. So uJomo waba remnyama ukuthi wacela imali esakuprocess ukuthi indwangu isanjani. Isa load iRAM yabo.
Isa load i-AI lapha.
Nikwazi ukuthi angawudrive iroad kumele ucela ama-3 pasta.
Yeah.
but I think okunye vele izingqondo zomuntu omnyama bro. I-reaction
iningi ndoda ungancisha indwangu imali khathi singangena khona
Icele ngesasi futhi.
Yes, yeah.
kumbe ifike ime khona phithi majide qhubekani ye-podcast.
Aseshe episode 8 hours mfa.
literally 1 hour don't press on for indwangu ethi shunani pho
Ayishayeni bafana.
Lina
Alishayini
liyangichaza
into.
ifike ihlale phansi eceleni kaRalph.
I mean, I wonder what I would do.
Imfundo fe.
lezi kabaleka zikuchiye wena indwangu isale kubambe ngesandla la
But in the way down, it's not something that is new because thina zathi ngiyakhumbula I think ngangu upper 6 kwakule kombi ukuthi khona wayigada lapha koBulawayo usiye Goli and then udriver ngathino ngathatha indwangu yesicheka over ngiyalitshela
kanya ngani indwangu vele ku-transport sector ngani kulenye collaboration
indwangu mina ngayizwa lami but ngayizwa ku-context echini
ngohamba njani
njalo ezukwe ukuthi kuthiwa abadala banombethwa wayefuna ukuthi ibhasi yakhe like ngale bhasi yakhe na-allocate yani ingabanjwa umuntu noma yena ku-sick leave noma engabi akathinto so wena bayakunika ibhasi yakhe ukuthi cover for yena ungathi ufika lapha usithi uyangena ebhasi kuthiwa kule ndwangu uthi ungasangeshi ongaqinisa ungenza inkani there's accident kumbe ugule or some weird shit
but yabona umjidolwana ngendlela yabona umjidolwana beqinisile
Anjena kukhuluma stories sana
lalela umjidolwana
uchomlwana mina
yabona
ngikwenza kweclown
kule difference yabona uBreezy masixoxela izistories zakhe uyabusiza ukuthi la sometimes la
What do you mean sometimes?
lapha ngathi just-charge
What do you mean sometimes?
but umjidolwana ndoda uhleko lwakhe loluya yabona Jay uhleko lomuntu ophelele
Umthengela kahle.
Well, genuine, bruh.
Uthi yazi mina ngikwazi laba abasele lapha ukuthi sikhamba.
Luhlelo lomuntu obhadale indwangu ka9.
ama-3 past
Mina indaba yendwangu ngayizwa differently. Mina ngatshelwa nguChomo eseGoli uthi wathi ese-taxi rank engene taxi. Yabona uhlezi umeli umjovu ugcwala. Ngoba ukuthi uthi indwangu yami eminyanga yathi khathi abantu bathi umjovu ayigcwali yona igcwele so njalo. Emthini yahamba. Uthi ngathi Uthi ngane zona sayihafi yabona mangwana sithi hayi pause
imjova kola business
indwangu yathi abantu abamboni
manje mana ngezibhokweni yena but ukhona like usokwa experience into out of this yeah supernatural la ngaphandle kwe guilty yani elandela after indlwabi
Yes, supernatural.
Aku supernatural.
That
That's
is
just
shame.
shame.
That is supernatural.
Yeah,
bro.
that's just shame, bro.
Maybe indaba kaJane the Ghost ayikhona uJane Melissa.
Ya kwaba lo Jane ngobulawa
Yeah,
eh.
Jane, yeah.
wena wako-experience
Yeah.
Huh?
You are sensabancane.
JP.
Hayi.
Where's the story kumbe wangena ekhombinelo chain?
Ngagada lo muntu owathathela ibhaji nguJane. Yeah. So what happened is wayenzani? Wacela ilift number 6. Wathatha enye wayibona uChero blind. Sahamba la. Mina nganhleze emuva. Kwangaba lo Honda Fit.
Wala maphuja.
Yeah, yabona. So singahleze emuva. Utsho umntwana wagada and then wabecela iphone number. Uchero star no, awula problem. Ya wona hamba yendrop endlini. Wahamba la lo Cherry, uchero sino nyagodola. Uchero besenzani? Ebemnika ini. Umjida ebemnika uCherry ibhaji, ijacket. Uthe semnike ijacket, umjida wabesenzani? Wabese dropa uCherry. Uthe eselokhuza eselanda ijacket. Wabese beqoqoda khona ngale ko Cherry the following day. Esithi khona phela uselanda ijacket. Wayethe fika wathi lawe futhi. Lawe futhi. Wesikhona lawe futhi and abakhona phana babekwazi ukuthi khona into eyenzakalayo. So basemthethe khona no mawufuna ijacket lakho asambe. Babe hamba la number 6 wafaba lithola phezulu kwethuna. Ungaligqoka yini?
I'm not very
Mina le mangcwabeni ngangeke ngikhambe.
vele nganye ababhilive
Ndithi akaligcini.
Manje mina
it's fine.
esami story about this particular thing, Jane the Ghost, not mine. I was just mancane like imagine if you guys were young. I
Jane
was young.
wayelibhedini.
Why Libeti actually? The story that I've heard about this particular character.
ayi yazi wena wena uzibonela fair wena
Mina ngazibonela fair.
Wayepakile.
Wayepakile. Kevin beautiful, nice baba.
So la waya
Natural,
participate
baba.
ku trade lana uzim 44.
Wayengena baba. Wayengena fresh lapha. Mina ngabona uJane.
Vuyi.
Yabona uJane wethu mncane.
Yeah, ujele uzabe sithethisa
Story lesa so story sa man. Story lesa sachunya yezwa. Ebulawayo City Center SDA Church. I was there on the day. And the pastor on the day, right, he was saying it happened to his friend. And I don't know, maybe I'm naive, but even now I believe it. Uthi umfundisi ngiyasiqambela amanga. Right. Uthi umngane wakhe kudala wahamba he went grooving.
Okay.
Wahambe eBhawu esiyagida wabe ehlangana lo munye uCherry. Bagida they had fun. Then what him drop her endlini, right? She was feeling cold. So he gave her his jacket.
Jane ngane belithanda ama
We
jacket.
turned
Jane
amajazi.
futhi ngalisube ngewinter
Wabemnika ijacket la kan. Kwaphelela khona bathi asizabonana kusasa. We're going to see each other tomorrow. He went the following day. Esithi senthola ibhedi la mana ndikhiphe.
Go Jane.
Go Jane. Mana
Lawe futhi.
mana ndikhiphe siyochaya igango lapha eShkumira. Yabona. What if yakhona phana uMasala wathi lawe futhi. Wahamba umtshengisa ithuna and for sure it had his jacket on top of it.
hayi uMasalo lawo sebonguhlala every second day ngiyabuya ngisayethunyeni bekwazi ukuthi sokulomunye
Ulafaka ibhakane egedini masayithi nxa ufuna ijacket lakho
But
grave number bani bani.
ngoba uzimoti uthi egedini uba uvula uthi athlon
Chene
Chene
la.
la.
Mele ezithathela into zeni ngoba para nginazo kuthiwa
But indaba lezi zamasela lezi mawukhuluma indaba ye-Athlon yabona lapha eNorth End la kulamajida lamasela la athi abamba inkunzi especially mawusungena endlini yakuthayimela egedini akubamba inkunzi wena mawuthi amgijimise ehle gijima ethuneni ethi ngena endlini yami sabulandela uthi
Isibongo. I remember
bandiphuzi isibongo
yathi wo.
kanike ilahla ku-afterlife
Mina
one
ngizothola
thing that we've never talked about
play.
and is the creativity that Amasela have.
amasela
Mina msakhoya lokho kwami ephumula she used to tell me stories zabogubuzela. Remember labantu ukuthi nxabe bayangena sibili ngo8 lapha nathi bukela ugenerations lonke.
Sure.
Sifike lapha na izingena ngeviolence amajita khona. Gubuzelani lonke lapha.
Ukuthi ngogubuzela.
Exactly. So many gubuzela. Bekuthathele check istep sakho.
Ngicela phansi. Ngibhenqe one yaba rebellious one. Ndiyathi Kana ngembonti ngeke ukuguzela kanti uyahamba. Tshwela vele ngokuzimbama ukuzithathela izinto.
Ziyabulala nge-shock and awe leziya, but ezinembona zi-messed up leziya nokuthi kwesinye isikhathi ziyayenza ibhebhane or something. Zikhona ezinjalo, uyakwazi khona ezinjalo.
Ezabe zifuna livule istore, livule maybe safe. Sithatha umntwana simhlalise estofini, I make oven on. I turn oven. Never give me. You gonna give me? Or I put him in hot shower.
Ndoda ngombe zikubamba inkunzi ziqede zikugidise ndoda zifake ingoma. Bamna ngezokuthiwa eNtumbane. Police station. Maybe ngo-JP story leswasiso. Kule yinye lokuzeni kumbe iseli. Estockzinda kokulamaseli ema police camp. Singathi ngamaseli
like a waiting thing.
Yeah. Khona pa ama holding cells kwaba.
Of the way. Yabona zabo try.
Thakule lokuzeni ikhona iseli le enesipoko. Donga ngena khona pa. Awuphuma iswi.
Yeah, I think
yes, I suppose I'm going to say Stabat.
No. It's a no.
Every time you watch Ntumbane ngizibunza mzibuhlungu.
Mpume ayeme uhlungu. Because story ngaswayo. Lapho nanzilela khona ukuthi lapha ngathi kule methi la. Uyakubuza ukuthi like wangena nini? Ungene nini la? Yabo Antono uzaqamba maybe ukuthi angene namuhla ongena izolo ikhobe emfaka lapha lana. But sona mawusibuze siyakutshela enye timeline.
Ekudala phela.
Akekho mina into ethi kumbe like mina bambophela ukuthethisa umzenda usabe umuntu wafana ukuthi umzenda.
Ovela ukuthi
Sibona ukuthi la sa connect.
So
But kodwa uqinisile ngoba zikhona ezinye izingabotshwa eNtumbane ziyakhala. Thanyi cela imvalele emagweko.
Somewhere please. I think double ngayisho.
yiza.
But yeah, ama-details akhona now but yeah. I-ending yakhona ngilane ukuthiwa umbe wathi usuvuke ekuseni. Usithi kumbe sebelikhipha mebeni usithi kari okamember ofa sebesithi umember athi wedwa la nena like no kule member engispend usuku wonke ngixoxa la lapha
Bethi nawe
Intumbane vele ngathi maximum prison yama police station because ngezokuthiwa futhi kule nye punishment azi ukuthi umasala ngikhona lokho Kucha mzinga ubamba bro maybe uindoda bakubambi so kumele beku interrogation laba yabu interrogate ngumuntu omawoleti jamawoleti yafika ahlala ibhezo
ndimajoda hayi
nani
ngama current events la lokhuluma la
asukule maybe sokule singathi sokule 6 years so angazi ukuthi into yakhona
lokuzenzakala
yafika ahlala ibhezo laba wandoni yabuhlelo indoda bezitshela ukuthi hayi police elingumfazi amadoda ezikhathini eziningi balokudelela ukuthi umfazi police yabo
yeah
afika ubuza athi ubonani la wena phela nginhlonipha lokwesabuza athi ombona iskate ngithi
kumele uzithi ithob akho ngesindebele
mbona indumba mama usitsho njalo oyindoda amampama ngona sengena manje landelana uthingani
indoda weyamanje uyakuclap kathi ubona into
Mina lapho ngibuza khona ukuthi khona manje libheya uyabe eqhokile yini
khona apha manje
yeah la details la wakho la dog
ngaba i-nightmare yakufunda ukuyibona into yakhona
oyi-one kahambe wona eNtumbane maybe ngicuza
asitshontsheni eNtumbane
sifakazi so lapha we can conclude ukuthi akuleka like experience it directly
first hand, no.
first
I don't know have I told you guys about the cloning story
what's that
like I don't know no it's not mine personally but it's to do with one of all right but I haven't spoken about this before on the podcast like the guy Imbinga is clonayo
no
oh
I think we did right
I know but I think we have
nake ndove phela
you remember wasale living room
yeah that's exactly
oh yeah
Yeah, mna isitori engizaziyo there.
Ah,
they're in line with
abangazwanga
that.
just summarize kuphela ukuthi
Oh, right.
obambe bayobukela i-episode yiphi i-episode lana
can't remember.
sikhuluma
Ah,
khona
I
into
think
it's
Ah,
like
look.
2 or 3 but ekokachana.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
3
that's
episodes ago.
I mean, I think I'm so out of it. Ukuthi maybe it's not part of my everyday life. Ukuthi phela sometimes what a man can only be what he knows. So like ngosemakhaya when ingqondo yakhe ingacabangeli ukuthakatha whatever, you could actually experience something supernatural ungakunanzeli.
Oh, yeah.
Like so ngathi uwoka uze chwaka so wena because ungubreeze uthi uthi inja. So vele ufike ngaxoxela umuntu. But umuntu osemakhaya ethi emuzwini okoloko uzakudlula ndoda lapha. Kunezinto ngoba zilichwaka uzizwa ngokuthi so ungazibuza ukuthi lingobani lina ziyakuchaya. Wasubonga noma ukudlula ngizithulele dog vela ngicabanga.
But ngibona ngani isibili lami ngangichaya ingangethusa ngabona ngiclip so ntona ngayenzela kaka kimi la alami ngafeinda bro uthi uyi1 endlini if you are happy and you know keep your hands uze qwa endlini uyi1
Uthi
uzitshela ukuthi uyi1 aya lapha lami
hayi mina emakhaya ngale nje wesofu. But about psychologically, the other problem is if you're used to like living in an environment, a town, there's a lot of things that stimulate your mind. Emakhaya, and then there's no stimulus, no input. So your brain sometimes starts over for no reason, which is why so into emnyameni or what.
But no, my corner like waba the first encounters really like direct lesbo or izinto ezingathi supernatural njengomjida wendwango lo. Eshiye kuma comments
Yes.
Mina for example nomnye umngane umuntu anguthandeka Dubu ose UK uthi yena wathathwa isavunguzane but uyiqakile. But then you ask yourself ukuthi wayexakile
mina ngasihleke
and mina kwaba ngambona omnye utshero ekhuluma ku Twitter nyamxokeli Jay yazi kulomnye utshero lamangela bathi la ukathatha isavunguzane wathi boza mina ngutsheli kanti mayibawo. So njengoba sokudepend ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngeza bokumchiya next door kumbe samsela yini or something.
Yeah, okay.
But yabona cha ngusemakhaya into enjalo sebesithi vele into besizomthatha.
Sebesithi injuice, yeah.
Into besizomthatha bese simse damu.
indoda but ke kuyilahla mfana shaya isavunguzane so
Ubone laba
ubone usuchaya phansi
Bese ngabo Uncle Vince sezingahamba lezo.
yamasingile siwe ukuthi lezi sethu anti yabona kulama buildings na phela sikaze
azipick up steam.
sishaya iskuni silama barriers wena la uthi vele masithutsha services iwiki
Sithole egcikeni.
tote ekhala phana mfana sebe sithutsha full force
Actually.
Sekuthi thuquma
sikwenzeni that time vele lo mzimba uyazitebhela vela kula lutho but anyways sile
sakuchaza ukudonsana kuma drugs.
Ulwelazo.
sile WhatsApp group. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, you'll add the link after the good description. So like where we ask people you up on topics, or maybe you have a burning question of on podcast.
So ngenile uphe ukuthi kodwa saliphendula yonke into.
Yeah, okunye
Nama nuclear send guys.
Yeah.
I know we over advertise sometimes things that we do.
okunye sizakhuluma ngakho nxa sikwanisa okunye kuzosithatha isikhathi maybe okunye sizakhuluma ngakho after 10 episodes
Onye singakhumbula leyabona nje yathi sizivumanile.
yabo so umbuzo or message ka anonymous lapha uthi unpopular opinion thina abanye let me speak for myself. My family feels like it's time to settle down, but I don't really share the same views as them. How do I let them down? Okay, how do I let them down gently? It's not an issue of can you find someone, but more of do I even want to? There is a number of reasons why marriage is not at the top of my list goals, but my family doesn't want to listen to me. He message actually. So do you guys think that young people are pressured to get married?
Yeah, in Africa, yes. Definitely, yes. I have a couple of friends, about age range, maybe 24 to 30. About Karis, they actively avoid my family gatherings because there's always going to be that one auntie or whoever who's going to be like, hey, clock is ticking, what's happening? Yeah. Like, I went back on about a saham, because that thing one way or the other is gonna come out.
Baza
Noma ngani
kubuza.
joke, noma ngani win, but they're always gonna. So I believe, especially ku context yethu lapha, yeah, it's rife.
Well,
What do you think?
I think that anonymous and okay, like why are they bringing this up? Ingle sebejara ukuzwa uchaya inhlwabe. Something. No, genuinely, bro. Hey, you know that kind of thing, right? So before you respond defensively, right? No, hey, you know, chatting is cancer, man. I mean,
no, but he does have a good point. He actually does have a good point.
Right? What if maybe they've got like a genuine concern, but they don't know
or
how to
maybe you've
address
just
it.
become a financial burden.
Exactly.
Look
Exactly. Yeah. But there are some parents who like they've seen the joy that like moving out and then starting your own family like brings, and they want that for you.
Yeah.
So abange babe concerned, but abange chenxe khona kuyani ukuthi jeba John uSkomora nje bethi hayi lo zasasirebe.
But la ungabona ukhandwa yimuli ukuthi uyasikomora bro.
Qhubeke lokuhlala khonapho.
Come on. Vele ungazibona vele ukhandwa vele.
Qhubeke lokuhlala khonapho.
Sekuthile.
Angazi ukuthi ngenzani ngempilo yakho ndoda. Like
Ulokuqhubeka lokuhlala khonapho. Lokuhlala emakhandeni wena ukwazi wakukhanda ku6 lapha.
But then the other thing, I think esimele sinanzelele ukuthi khona thina nxa sesikhulile sikhula kuma generations achene
Yeah.
abadala bethu ngesikhathi sethu ngesikhathi beleminyaka elingana le yethu nale base be married and by then izinto zazihamba zazilula kubona. Yeah, it was different. Uthola ukuthi khona umdala wachata ele 23 years umasale 21 years yabona lezivala zalezi, so it was easy.
ele 16 bro lezana zazingalandaba kudala.
Yeah, so kudala ngongcono ngoba even abadala babekuncedisa kuthiwa kuchayela ihlahla babekuchayela ihlahla bekusikele indawo ukuthi khona yakho umuzi wakho lapha so manje destiny abakusikele ihlahla
Garezi yabuzibondi lapha ihlahla yimi la.
Exactly
Well done, my boy.
ihlahla lapha nguwe and then
Ihlahla
wena
yimi la.
kathesi ngakhangela ikakhulu thina siyacabanga kakhulu and into eziningi siyazesaba kulamanye ama responsibility abesaba ukuthi khona ngathi ngiyehluleka mina ngi1 what more must lethe umntwana omunye umuntu. So uyafuna uqala ukuthi khona maybe lay a foundation ukuthi khona umntwana wakho engakhuli impilo oyikhulileyo ukuthi khona maybe if I can do this let me give myself maybe up to 35 or up to certain age way ukuthi khona I feel like lapha yasemfikile maybe I'm now ready ukuthi khona ngikwanise ukusupporta imoli yami ngoba uma ukhangela ukuthi khona most of the people and most of the guys abakhulayo kathesi yathola ukuthi khona baqalisa bekumanasi unlike kudala wawuqalisela from somewhere uma uphuma ekhaya bobunikeza even inkomo imbuzi imbitho uyabona ukuthi khona yaqalisela from somewhere but thina kathesi the moment uqeda isikole mgcini abahle
Wena uyakhama bondi endlini.
before we uqalisa ngokucheck ubani umasalo ukulungisela umasalo ulungisela abana bakho ufundisa abana bakho and by that time iminyaka yabloke ihamba and then when papa musuba sule amen sule about 30 years and 35 somewhere there umnawo wakho iqede evarsity yikho lapho la usuqala ukuthi.
But don't you think ukuthi we tend to overthink into eziningi when it comes to into zokusettle down the marriage ukuthi anti yabona garesi wena uthi mele sibe ready yabo mele into zami nizama ukuthi zibe in order yabona yonke into yami ibe grand yabo. But do you think ukuthi kuzafa kwafika yini vele khona kuya?
I think
Also, JB raised a really great point. Yeah. Le ndlwabe le we do better, but
I mean, the point you have, Iliana, was a strong one, which you must also ask yourself where it's coming from. Mina wanyenza ukuthi nje nzabo ngokuthi yazingona no ekanubule
Ingoma zawadi le.
ngomdala la ku TikTok azi abantu abadala bagena ku TikTok bona mabhenga.
Zamanyala.
So me some of it most of the problem that I think I've brought up a couple of times is I feel like part of our iterate generation yethu is just avoiding accountability. Abantu babonga ufuna ukuba ezinye izinto bro you just have to take it. And there is nothing wrong with some things being uncomfortable. You can't do everything ngepace yakho. However, I sit here also unmarried.
How? Karona so trend lapho sithi uyachata
I'm
lapho.
joking.
Yeah.
This is why in my opinion is azwakalani biased. Yabo, because I'm a married guy. But I think as izinto abantu cheki you can't have a rule and apply for everything. But for most cases, I think abantu baphonga ufuna ubalekela responsibility. However, izinto zinzima. But abantu balekela responsibility. But izinto zinzima.
Yeah. You're raising also a good point. Abantu by these days awufuna ukujela.
I've
Sunchacha.
got a question.
It's
Anonymous, is that a guy or a girl?
But it's a girl.
Okay.
Sounding like a girl. Yeah.
Yeah, but even if it was,
maybe watchele kutricky ngoba ezamajita amaningi athese like uKBreeze sithi ukuthi khona ke so amajita amaningi vele watchele uchele uyathola ukuthi khona maybe yena userious lama intentions agranda sharp but wena ke ngokubuya kwakho ubuya exactly yeah uchele kuye lama pure intentions but uKBreeze baba puff and pass gone yabona so you go ugcina ubona ukuthi khona otshela abaningi athesi bayesaba to commit because they don't know ama intentions amajita amadoda dala siba rava
no lalela uKB ule point
describe anything I've ever done.
lalela nini uJB ule point sengabe kubeke ngebala la kalijayeleyo but uJB ule point ukuthi ocherisi sabathwalisa nzima kakhulu
exactly
Wasithwalisa nzima.
into ade mfunga uyitsho mina ukuthi kade samankazana wathatha icup when it comes to
Unrari. Chakala
urava
sikhuluma ngayo owathola ku Apple Music ukuthi bamre.
bekule 3D Twitter la umjide ekhala ukuthi wabona ukuthi umfazi yamfebela va Apple Music yabo
yeah
Uthola na vele uyi-back up. Uyi-back up.
Para kubhala thread futhi uChero wazondwa shaya imoto yakhe ngesini. Banyana ki triple.
but I feel like okunye futhi okwenza abantu banga consider into lezi ezimthatha ama expectations yabona lamanye ama standards angikhoyo like anga existiyo
Wena kwathi kuningi social media.
like abantu and futhi into le I think sengiyakhuluma ngizahlala ngiyikhuluma abantu sibona ngathi silama options abantu sisitsho ukuthi mina ngila but unga check
I
a
can
grain
get
sharp
anyone I want.
especially ngesandi lapha phela i-loneliness yangesandi la yenza sometimes unanzelela ukuthi kahle kahle kodwa nihlakaniphanga
Isimo simanga kahle la.
anihlakaniphanga yabo abantu
especially nxa ungena boss
la boso international break akula EPL ikweza sibona kwento ohlakaniphanga bro and labo Jerry la I feel like it's the same yabo
Uzuzubuza ukuthi vele ilanga lihlala litshona ngapha.
abantu abaningi bazitshela ukuthi like balama options ikho ngathi ba delay like into ze marriage you know mina ubona kwami azudina libona ngathi like what are the reasons why abantu bengekho like abakafuni ukuthi bachate njengo Anonymous la
First of all, bro, like I don't know about you guys, but the information that I take in, even like about in Tabas Kuluma, no one props marriage, bro. It's never something to enjoy, it's something to endure. You know what I mean? So yeah, like for example, just this week, a few days ago, I was speaking to a friend of mine who recently got married. So I'm hoping it wasn't a personal experience. But in that like she's going through it. She's got a shit guy, right? Remember power
Anyway, so I take that back.
Hey, well, you know, standela bafazi and you know, she's like, you know, but you know, we've got a kid together, you know. So I'm hoping that one day is gonna change. And abantu who are single, right, see their married friends going through this, and they're like, ain't no fucking way.
yeah
This is not my portion.
and okunye bro
Yeah.
angikhulumeli mina abantu emphila labo yabo because kuyobe songani mina ngithatha indawo zabantu sifake bambela lapha ku podcast
Unye amajita.
but isengananzelela bro like i-rate at which abantu abachadileyo abafewa ngakhona bro like
It's a fabbing season.
it's a
bro.
fabbing season bro
People are breaking up in portions, bro.
in small parts
In small parts.
I mean, I think
bro
maybe.
and man ngawuqedisa
Kudu.
uthi indlela abantu abachadileyo abafewa ngakhona bro kungenza mina ngiquestion like angachati abanye ba divorce abanye ngabafeba phakathi yabo and mina into engiyabe ngizibuzana ukuthi so lami yinto omele ngiyenzile yinto ngiyilanda yi-reality engiyilandayo mina le yabo and mangifika ku-conclusion yona ngihlembele ngithi yazi ngcono ngivele ngiziqhubekele ngiyi-one sakubona maybe some other time
Uthi ungathi one.
Mina I think enye into enzakalayo ukuthi obviously I think people maybe get the wrong idea of what marriage is. I've also brought this up and said, what if vele anyway entire existence impilo yethu is to go through challenges to make you better. For example, I use the example yokuya gym. Process yokuya gym in itself, lifting the weights and exercising is not the fun part. We're here because we know there's an end result that we're looking for. So Toluguti, the bulk of experiencing life is actually like being in the gym. You are here to go through challenges, better yourself, fix your problems, and be a better person. You understand? Manje abantu sebengene emchadweni maybe for a pleasure, which is not what happens 80% of the time. You expect it to be 80%. Ungakuya gym and 80% of the time, amamaso.
yeah
You know what I'm saying? You have to get in there and do the hard work, which makes you a better person. Karesi nxa usukhuluma ukuthi ngihlala ngibona abantu aba-married abakho happy abanye bayafeva. That's like saying mina ngithe nge-gym ngayabona ibhawu lichawe enketha. The fuck?
Ngathi ngena omnye maphakamisa 25 what into it?
What you doing? Amabhawu atholi imatheri. It's like, no, dog. That's not the purpose why you would go to a gym.
Yeah, true.
Go there to work on yourself. Find someone you can put up with and say, dog, life in itself is supposed to be a shitty experience.
Yeah, good results are painful to people.
I think when it goes back to our standards where social media is icon. And it's funny how that is wonke amankazana alaleli podcast like yonke inkazana engekho relationship guys uzitshela ukuthi uzajola like domchito lemali abanye abanye benu lizajola lathi esilama podcast and that's okay.
That's okay.
It's like in life
We're actually pretty cool guys, bro. Like, I'm sorry.
Come on,
I
man.
think into eyenza abantu abaningi.
lamajita futhi ngingandi inhlaselo cherry
Lamachita.
lamajita futhi expect ukuthi wena
Uthanda lo mhlala.
kule model maybe
Exactly.
umhlali or something thamba not
Umtandokazi.
ekhanda lakho wena
Exactly.
uzitshela ukuthi wena vele
So ngabona uChero Lyre sengasumtandokazi then you feel like
then you feel like
let me just be
I can do better.
pushing
No, my
time,
brother, that's your time.
you don't have options. Yeah.
Yeah,
You're
true.
right. Because wananzelela like ngama Valentine lokho where you're seeing less and less content. Why?
Yeah.
Because those people uyabona ukuthi ichom lami linithengele ikhadi likhala ku Instagram kulomunye abamtshela i-Range Rover.
Kasaphost.
Lakhe likhala akasaliboni njengento
Or
eqakathekile.
even welcome for a nice dinner, which you actually enjoyed.
Yeah, but
But
now
now
you
you
can't
don't wanna
post
post
because
because-
it's not at Roosters or at whatever.
Lenkomicho bro, umuntu akuthengela inkomicho. Awusayipost inkomicho because
Ngoba
Ngoba
futhi
ubona
lo baby.
uJB ethengela umuntu wakhe Louis Vuitton or something.
Wena kwaba lo baby level inside joke
JP basingenisa amanzi. Lawa.
So vele abantu yena engqondweni yakhe noma siyebona ukuthi ku-serious relationship engabona ukuthi le chom le asikwanisa ukuthi umshado lwanxa usuphela sifike sithathe i-helicopter so kushuta ama-drone like they can't do it
Yeah.
now.
Engu-JP
But I mean, not JP, not JP.
lalela ngikhuluma istori sami ngiphambi segweya 2 seconds.
JP is a
JP
very
mfana.
dangerous nigga.
JP hospitality yakhe i-trick to a point ukuthi amajita amayihamba endlini yakhe bachiya
Panty
bafase
dropper
ezimoteni.
type of hospitality. You remember this?
JP umfazi esale emoteni le ngoba ngangena bakala babona
Ebona uJP.
i-treatment le asengena manje. Anyways qhubeka bro.
Mina ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendaba yokuthi khona ezamachita. Amachita thina sometimes we think ukuthi khona ngizathola a better one. And vele uzahlala ukhona uChero oblind kulo wakho. Noma ungaze umove njani uthi khona hayi no lapha lapha sengeni but sekla lapho khona ndoda. Yabo uChero abanye.
Love yours bro.
Exactly. Sekla lapho khona uChero
Shona
abanye.
wathi gonyera pamwe maruve nyika apiri. Like there's a lot of flowers, boss. What? Like settle down, bro. Because if you pick a flower, after when Lily say like
So I think
2 blocks down.
over and
gonna
above
see
all,
another one.
we talk a lot of nonsense here, but if you're going to take one thing away from this podcast, movie all my options settle.
No, but
Yeah.
any
The long and
reality
short of it.
any reality kumele si factor in ukuthi abanye abantu abakho ready for imishado because of economy. Like things are tough. Abadala the same parents aba expect ukuthi kadu chata nini uthatha nini are the same parents aba expecta imali kuwe ngemonth end. I-reality yabantwana abaningi. Like abadala bakubuza ukuthi uthatha nini? Hey ngicini ngoba lo mntwana ikabelo kanti yabo but month end
usubatshela ukuthi
month end the same parent
ubhadela i-Wi-Fi ngoba umntwana ufumela isikolo.
Sometimes awabatsheli bamelele vele ukuthi
aloko ngiyalizwa
uba lokhu.
And khonabo ethola ukuthi khona umsibo 7 and imali oyitholayo ayikwani la lutho. We are only surviving when i-COVID allowance. Exactly. Yabona. Yeah, izikiza vele yona vele ayithengi lutho. Yabo. Ngoba uyahluphadala iparking lapho uzama uthela umasali grocery siphelile. Yabo. So into zakhona zisuka zibe njani? Zibe tricky. So abadala kumele bengani banjani? Basibekezelela. Bezwisise khona. Ayikho into lo ufa i-pressure ukuthi khona no. Yabona JP, abanye bonke abantwana semboni labazukulu sokuselo wakho kuphela. Yabona le ndaba
futhi uyikhulume smooth ufuna ukuyikhatha izinto kuseni group. Uyikhulume too smooth.
Also guys, ungaphika of course kumele uthathe advice but do it at your own time because ungaphika ngabantwana laba bathi chada. Ungachada it won't end there. They're going to ask for a kid. Ngoba lo mntwana bazathi umnakho nga.
Exactly.
Ungaba lo munye like entitlement yaba ipheli. So just do your things and skhatha.
But the entitlement to you vanisende lakho.
What are you saying? Yeah, entitled to my sense, bro.
I also want, and I thought about this week. Also, I think we need to also put a disclaimer on this podcast. Tina, my opinions it also because this dawned on me the days Kuruma Abandaba broke. Episode broke.
Episode 100. I saw episode 100.
It was recent. Tina go broke much. Lina liko broke. Because kule standards of broke much is bad. Kule standards of broke is bad. Which is in the same vein, Lento Yoguti, Tina, I speak for everyone in attendance today. We are a cabal of 5 gentlemen who have done relatively well in the ladies department, which is why some of our opinions might be one-sided.
Yeah, mina machita. Ngiyahluleka she. Amfuna ukulitshela manga. Bengixoxa
like the honest truth. Because Tina, we cannot speak for Mama Chita.
Like I was just having a conversation with my mngani. I mean, I feel like in the relationship umjolo ngiweak for yona. Because I mean, a dog vela meleli uthi Twanza kuthanda next week, bro. Same day. I love you, bro.
Like chile membe yama.
Bro, mina ngikuthande. Same time, bro. In the week njengami ekhaliswa eblue tick. Relationship ngentingani ngeke survive vele
kuchile
membe
our opinions at amanye yes they are valid but they're also limited to a certain demographic because once again ngathesile complain nje abo parking labo Wi-Fi come on my niggas you know what I'm saying
it's not everyone's reality
it's not everyone's
at the end of the day silapha ukuzo expressa i-reality yempilo zethu lokuthatha ama-reality wabanye abantu so njengo-anonymous sibe swalethe kini sikhuluma ukuthi thina sicabangani based on ama-experiences wethu lani kuma-comments you can do the same
mina kule story engake ngasikhuluma egroupini I think 2 weeks back where my mom works I won't say where it is kulo mama othengise ekhoneni mama lo othengise ekhoneni wathi xa uthengise ekhoneni there she was pregnant and then she gave birth. And then it was a joke. It was actually in very good spirit because maybe if I say this, people think it was mean, but it was very fun because by the city, so you know, but it was just a good spirited joke. About 3 weeks back, as you made the results at O level, it blew my mind, bro. It blew my mind. Yeah. So. Yeah, you want to get more financially stable, but I'll tell you what, there are people who have way less who are making it work.
Yeah, I think okunye abantu akumelanga si overthink into le. Like
uluthele phakathi
sivele sikhale dog.
But I'm just trying to say both sides. Because I feel like there's a demographic that is not spoken for.
Yeah, but okunye futhi like an honest dialogue between him abazali labantu abawo iqathi sesikhulile please usukwanisa ukutshela abadala indlela ofila ngayo makuthi alivumelani umdala bro uyaphuma ngini uhambe bona like when iplan yabo sesikhulile ukuthi uyakwanisa ukutshela abadala ukuthi mina this is what I want Awukuthi awuhambelani maybe nxe lento lini lizifunayo. Sorry.
Asitshayana ama-prayers ngipheke kusasa
Ngipheke kusasa ngiyahamba. Yabo.
But okunye uma ufuna ukuthi impilo yakho ibe lula iba le mali awusokube kubuza la ma-questions.
simple.
Yeah.
So now,
but besides
this goes-
that-
ungaba le mali
This
vele
goes to what
yeah.
we were saying. Ukuthi, you must ask yourself why are your parents asking that question? Because ungaba le mali. So
Yeah.
uthole sebebuzela ukuthi, hey mntanami, you're actually now able to take care of a family. Don't waste
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
These are your prime years. Do it now.
Exactly. But ungaba le mali akula ngitsho labo ngo-antisa lokhu njalo njalo kuyabuya kusithi khona hey umntwana wathini umfazi wathini ngiba le mali wonke umuntu uzakuhlonipha uzakusaba yeah but sababe lokhu into abazayenza kuphela ukunyeya
Yeah, obvious.
lo wathwala ngama
Abasengisa.
However, right, and this goes to people like that actually want to get married, right, or want to settle down, whatever. But by Saba Konoguti Mali Gabalayo. Like he said earlier on, there are people that are making it work with way less. And it goes back to something that I heard a while back. Guti, like, you'll never have enough money. Money is a numbers game. And numbers don't end. They're infinite in nature. You check. So right now, and yeah, we'll 10 pounds with the shit. Let me get $100. You get 100, you're like, okay, I think I can pull a grand. After a grand, you're like, hi, but I think 10K.
My
sweet.
expenses is
Exactly. And with every bag that you get, you realize that your life adjusts to that. Like, so I was
uhlale like uphila impilo lana to iphila
exactly.
$1 so
Yeah,
$100. Yeah.
So I kind of feel like and unfortunately social media like gives us the bad side of it, right? But I'm sure there's people that are content with their lives and behola on a civil servant salaries and they're really like they're happy. They know that okay, fine, I can't go to Cotton and buy a fake
I think
Hennessy, but
okunye mele sifunde like okuningi mele sifunde okuningi from abadala bethu. Like ungacheka abadala angazi ngikhulumele mina into zama Android.
Sorry.
Like
vele uhlubone iPhone engeni memory card
amanye amalokhu nini
Siqedile.
usani khona.
Sorry.
So benzathi like kumele sifunde okuningi from the past generation. Yabo like abadala ukuthi abadala bro babesenza izinto zenzeke ngezimali zona lezi ezincane ababezithola. Umdala dathu umazalo civil servant ama teacher but bakwanisile ukuhambisa abantwana abayi4 told ngini maybe inxele 4 5 lonke balihambisile esikolo lahambe university yabo bona babekwenza njani. Of course sesingacompare sithi
there's certain things umele siz understand ukuthi khona impilo iyashape and there's certain things if you avoid izinto zonalezo akula lutho luzayenzakala so uzamele uthathe ama risk and move on with life because when it comes to marriage I believe ukuthi even the Bible says he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord.
Hallelujah.
And yabona into efana zonalezo ezinye izinto we are struggling because we're not married but the moment you get married you understand ukuthi khona uzabona kulezinto ezivulekayo lamanye ama blessings avulekayo. I was talking to my friend esimchadi said sometime last year ngo September enjele ukuthi khona you know what JP into le iqiniso mina after umchado ibusiness yami ihamba mnandi and I've been struggling ukuthi khona ngithole istand but less than a month after I got married I got it constant.
That's ungashada
Yeah.
lo mfazi bro like neck butters lanjela lathi kuka two is either umfazi omthathayo uyakwakha uyakubhidliza akola in between. Yebo ungathola umuntu ogrand izibili into zakho zeqazamba sharp.
Exactly. So then it goes back to ekuthandazeni. So kumele sithandaze. Ubone umeke sure ukuthi khona ke impilo yakho injani I live wire connected exactly but ungachata ngesikhathi setting ungekho connected yazi ukuthi usemnyameni wire so uqhathekile ukuthi khona hayi noma singaze sidlale siyenze njani but ukuthandaza vele sithandazeni and make sure ukuthi khona la uyathandaza uzothola umuntu wakho kanjani oyiyi
plus ungeza stories zama Facebook amaningi ukuthi abe kanjani
vele uhlubone ngamabizo abanye nje uvelaphi simangele
ama Facebook amaningi abadala makutshela
JP madoda.
abadala
Wena asosimangele kahle.
simangele
Yeah, so surprised. I thought I pulled out.
surprise
What is this?
Yeah, like ama first point amaningi ngoba nangikhuluma lelinye ibhudas ngazweni ngiqambe ibizo but ibhudas lethu breeze intshela sithi ama first point amaningi vele kepho nguzenzakalile like ungafuna ukuthi wena into yakho ibe plant like properly ukuthi mina vele at 32 mina vele at impilo vele ayikho njalo bro kunje eDubai mbana dikwazi ukuthi thina besiplan ukuthi eze podcast ihambe eDubai next month bro
ndoda
sokubhidlike yonke into
esinabana njani njani
sokubhidlike yonke into ngalesi somele sikhansile ama flights akusela plan
it's a problem.
yabo so impilo vele ayikho predictable like that
ayikho predictable. I think okunye kufuthi singakhulukele ukukhulumela ama-agents umbhalo kakhulu la iqakathekile because the Bible says Genesis 2:18 it is not good for a
atheist
man.
lapha mdala
No. Don't worry. I'm a believer chain. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah. Omunye lesi yakutshela kade ukuthi khona usala yabona into ezifana as a lesson. So ngitsho ukuthi khona I was talking about Genesis 2:18, and it is not good for a man to be alone. That's the Lord created a helper suitable for him. The reason why most of the times as Amachens we are struggling, we don't have ama helpers. So we need a helper, and that helper is a wife. A wife is not a girlfriend. So again, in the particular, there is a difference between umuntu ohlala naye lo mfazi. He who finds a wife. So in umfazi uyatholakala akaphongu yabona into efana le. So
in the imjolo le treata ngani chadile too much.
Exactly. So into eqhakathekileyo ukuthi khona ke ukuthi khona siphumelele lathi dinga ini umfazi.
Awubona uvuyise bamba ikhanda so uyakwazi ukuthi ama grocery uthenga lama chamali.
Yeah.
Creative point yamanga. Creative point yamanga lapha lidlela amatopi.
Vuyisa uyobhadala irent uzwile
Wait, what did you say?
suke ayibhadala ni rent
For this month better.
hayi
Oh, for ina kuze never.
Anyways, bafethu kule lisakhuluma ngemjolo so umbani ofuna ushada
Ushada yena ulandela mina.
ulandela
Follows you. Bad.
because I red flag bathi red flag ukufollow ushada.
Oh, it's fine.
But anyways,
It's okay.
ushada utweet something la. Ngibone kuzim celebs.
Udino leader.
So fellas, mafela. Always do a background check, especially a financial background on the women like you are dating. Why? Because in African setups, much is expected from the groom. If they are poor, they'll expect you to save them from their poverty. Always remember that you are going to be the provider. Vet your own finances and that of the family of the woman you plan to marry thoroughly before you decide. Vet their entitlement too. There is this inherent pressure on daughters to care for their families. Learn or perish. My comrades.
I mean, how can you hate on that?
Sometimes,
beautiful.
yeah, sometimes it doesn't miss. Sometimes he misses, but yeah,
Sometimes
here,
he misses.
yeah, here he didn't miss.
Let's talk about the time he didn't miss.
Yeah.
No,
like as Kulumen in this
we have to
line.
acknowledge all the sides. Sometimes he misses a lot, actually, 90% of the time.
Lapha selifuna ukuthumela ama girlfriend yenu ukuthi libona ngabe ushada. Manini
So brand anyway I'll say
Yeah.
Mina my problem that I have with this logic is he works with the assumption that everyone does self introspection well. It's not everyone. We almost vet your own finances. And 90% of niggas do not admit that they are broke niggas. So in the first place, I got mchitos avumuti. I'm not broke nigga ngimthathu cherro.
What's theory is that? Iconic theory nale ukuthi everyone bengakubuza about yourself, you always rate yourself higher than what you actually
I don't know if that's the same thing, but I know we judge others from their actions and we judge ourselves by our intentions. So the idea becomes when you never really say this is who I am. You always say, but I wanted to do this. You couldn't have been. And then when it comes to other people, you say,
Exactly. Like anyone vele ku set up even uhamba kuma students ungalandi C student uthi wena uzibona ngani uyikwini uzothi B or A. I-B student ongayilanda like ku-proven even.
So
And
now-
test yakhona kuthiwa yenzakala ngabantu abadriver estates. Babomthatha isempu yabo-driver bebabuza ama-driving skills abo. After following them, most of them are driving shit. But it's available. You're like, I'm not available. So everyone is always gonna think they are better than what they actually are. So vetting le yona you
No, but
think
yabona
you
ukuthi-
can,
Collapse ke
but you
imgombane.
can't.
but ezinye izinto nxa silunga zichekeka ngelihlo lokuba delusional yabo ube practical.
Amajita uzithola ibhedi wena. Uzavuma ukuthi hayi mina ngilamana ngizokwanisa.
Eqinisweni asikhulume ngeqiniso please. Emajideni maybe awungeke uvume wena uthi amajida mina vela ndamali. But usuyi-one please wena.
Uyazi wena njengayithula. Wena these days ubulala self introspection. Uyizwile desitshela wena vuyila lapha set up. Umzile khuluma ukuthi i-new resolution yakhe yini esingazikhulume ngikhangela. It takes a lot of honest self introspection to just casually admit that from kwamajita uplug amala ukuthi mina what. So when vele you're not even benchmark for this because amajita amaningi awavumi ukuthi wena
Most people
alaseni.
think they think
Mau check this issue egashada because when it comes to marriage and if my families are maybe a girlfriend baba lama expectations lana ukuthi khona mau uchata if you are to get married you have to look for a family or for a guy ole financial muscle ukudlula yabona lapha ophuma khona. Yeah, mina lami esikhathi esiningi I think it's actually something which eyabiza unceda even nasemtchadweni wakho because mawukhangela mina usually treat ama girlfriend like imoto ukuthi khona no if ngithatha uCherry Low i-type yiphi yemoto, all right, i-GLE ngizayikwanisa in terms of service yabona into efana zalezo financially and stuff like that. Exactly. Yeah. So
Synthetic
yabona
oil,
ukuthi
so
no
afford.
imoto le no I can't keep this car, maybe I can hire it for a day
I-transfer window
On a
bro.
good weekend.
on a good weekend.
I-Western
Or
budget but ufuna uMbappe.
uyabona exactly. So wena mawufuna ukukhulisa ku relationship yakho you have to settle for what you can afford.
Enye problem
Yeah.
futhi I think semvumelana lo Breeze.
Sungizwa.
Sembuyela because goes back to social media. Abantu sebezitshele ukuthi wena
Vala.
Exactly.
Every man
When I
right
think-
now,
when
every
I-
man-
when I know Beyonce kades wena
dog
ungaba
like every
But
man
come
right
on.
now abafollower bomashadaya Andrew Tate bonke bayi high value men. Like wena vele uli top dog.
We can't all be top dogs. It doesn't make
But
sense.
uyathula like uvuka joke ekuseni
I'll
like a joke at 2 days.
A simple
the third
thing,
day
yeah,
you
a simple
can't
thing
do
like
it.
exercising for 5
Yeah.
days.
Lesingowazi
Can't commit to
uthengi
one
ngini
thing.
bro.
Yeah,
Cinco
kunzima ngoba
into
uyathola
dollar,
ukuthi khona
But
even
file no perish. Uthiwa
File no
ama-module nast.
Eleno Perry.
So ke ukusiba nzima because you can't please that girl or that particular girlfriend oya uthandana layo because izinto lezo uzijayele ngiwo wena uhlanyiswa isingo sileqanda.
Okunye,
Yabona.
I think that's another problem that we have now. I think esinye isimoko sona
Yeah.
leso sama-high divorce rate esesikhona futhi
Exactly.
khona lokho ukuthi wena uzathatha i-GLE leyana
You boys are
Maybe
cooking
nge-
today. I'm
the
very,
boys- the
very
boys are
proud of you guys.
maybe maybe you just fake it but you can only fake it to a certain extent.
Exactly.
At some point
Yeah.
lo muntu lana asibona thina siko compatible but sokulate selisayine marriage certificate.
Exactly.
So you have 2
Soji.
kids down the line. Sikhona kwenta hayi but mina vele lapha ngiqualify. uCherry Low njona nisezikweledeni kwenze ithena abe happy.
Exactly. Ngoba umntwana umhambise eBNB.
Exactly.
Yabo?
Yeah,
So,
well, abangani bethu,
so
like
and then
esibabona
wena
besingle.
usutshadile usufika endlini umntwana bebukela i-70 inch full ke endlini.
Sumbukele i-TV
Then
lo
uthi uyangena
mkhaba.
ona
Umkhaba kumbe iduka lo.
Laptop, my laptop ibuhlungu ngoba
Yeah.
khali radio next door sokumele lifake la. Ukuthi izwakale.
Ngathi ukhuluma experience.
Yeah. So I think okunye kumele sivete ubone ukuthi lapha ngiyakwana or lapha angikwana. Izicathulo
okunye-
lezi yizo ezi-right or
Mina vele-
ziko right.
I think
But
okunye-
I've
okunye-
seen our marriages and even ama relationship abantu abakholisayo ke bephansi. Check ukuthi kon Aston Villa tichisa njani.
Wena.
But ayilama players athe. Check ukuthi Fulham chisa njani. But ayilama players athe.
check
But
ama-
check ukuthi Chelsea struggle njani. But ilama players adura. Yabona into efana nale.
Just ngumntwana lona othula amabhuku wonke ahambe nama-installations aqeda aphume lo you.
Yeah. Into yabona
Please,
into
you wanted to
zakhona.
say something.
Self-introspection, bro. I think very a lot of problems can go away if you self-introspect honestly. Be honest with yourself.
100%.
And the problem addiction, then you move forward.
After
100%.
self-introspection yona leyo bro, ngenye uncomfortable like conversation omele ibe khona. It's not necessarily vetting. Ukuthi uyavet, nxa uzivet uvetani wena. Like wena yini ekwenze vele kube ku position ukuthi wena ngosuveta wena.
Yini okwenza kwaba
Minister of
authority
vetting. Like
vele
when
Veterinary
ulala uyini wena yabo.
Osawuveta abantwana.
But an honest conversation yokuthi Jay, this is what I do in life, yabo. Mina ngenza
Yeah.
so dan. Yabo. Lo Cherry like I feel like liyakhuluma bro. Level ixoxa uma conversation sometimes I'll be direct. Yabuza like indirectly yabo ukuthi
Ugauge
wenzani. La ugauge yabo libe ligijana kwa bawubona ukuthi alright sharp. Ngempilo mina engiphilayo uyakwanisa yini ukuthi sihlangane halfway. Ula khona okholakho, lami ngila khona okeni lakho. Siyakwanisa yini ukuthi siphile zonke. Problem abantu ba pretendelana too much when it comes to
Kakhulu,
into zonalezi.
100%.
Especially as ezimali.
Yeah.
Ama first days yabuzama ukuthi hambisa umntwana ku date. Le ngimembe amathi ungihambisa umntwana ku date. Ngathi mana mbijani qasa umthela amanzi.
What is life, bro?
Like
Share i-date ka-Ralph leni nasty le. Ngeka Ralph ngiyapha.
Kuchile membe.
kuchile membe. Yabo like liqale libe
ngamkhuzana.
ngangikhuza bonke.
Hayi episode le akula mntu singamkhuza.
Akulambe singamkhuzanga bro. Like yabo
Besikhuza bonke.
kumele abantu bebe realistic ngama finances wena lawo. Oh and futhi akuhambi kuma finances kuphela vetting yangikhona nale. Ukonvazi upbringing bro. Qathekile ukuthi ubekwazi ukuthi umuntu ukhule njani. Sometimes amanye ama reaction are based on ukuthi umuntu ukhuliswe njani.
Uzitshela ukuthi this
Like
is how
uvela
family works.
like uvemela ku family enjani yabo. Kwenza ukuthi understanding ibehavior yakho. Iprize ukhuluma ukuthi angaphekisa inkosi lamaqanda yaphuma phandle esihlele egedini. Yabo
Khulile
like
stenjini.
isingo sasishota njalo
Fatherless
ngini yabo. Make me
behavior.
understand ukuthi kahle kahle wena umuntu onjani. And then ma selifikile yabona maybe seliphushile for some time. Yikho lapho seli decide khona ukuthi are you guys going to continue with what you're doing or I sharp I don't think ibenzi le ingakwanisa ukumi. Isharp yona seyingathela ifuel ka one day.
City road
Yabo.
trip.
But amanye amaphathi angafe emoteni leyi angeke ngikhona bro.
I think a lot of people, like, their problems can be linked directly to a failure to have an uncomfortable conversation, either with yourself
Or with your partner.
or with your partner.
100%.
Yeah, so now, when you've had an uncomfortable conversation with yourself and you realize that, no, here I can't sustain this. I would like to. I really, really would like to, but right now I can't. Now there needs to be another uncomfortable one. And it's allowed. People think that, you're not allowed to break up. You can, bro. Like, no one's forcing you. In fact, relationships are very easy to leave. It's not a marriage. Yabo. And nxa umuntu wakho engasoza kwanisa ukuzwisisa ukuthi hayi, I remember le ithwele nzima. Well, I don't think you should have been with that person in the first place.
Yeah.
Mina ngangayipaki imoto yako isethi lapha.
But yabona i-problem ekhona and ukuthi khona ikakhulu thina emajideni trophy women ukuthi khona ufuna ukuba lo cherry run ukuthi khona mangihamba lapha no breeze light hey madoda isiqwaqwayi madoda siqwaqwayi
I'm not thinking sengadlula kodwa mina kule level lona le.
But it's
but
still
it's
there.
still there. It's still
yeah.
there. It's still there. And amajideni vele yabona ukuthi khona yinto lana es-affecta kakhulu because you want to break ngezinto ezingayisizo. Yabona. Why ungazithathela umuntu wakho obona ukuthi khona hayi no lo muntu sharp lo and then uzikhulele la. Akulanto emnandi njalo akulanto echaza akulanto encomekayo njengokubona umuntu likhule lonke ku relationship and then liglowe lonke.
Amajidi akuchoka.
Bro, mina manje but at the end of the day,
Sitshayela amapatapara sidabula ama-vans.
at the end of the day,
Exactly.
at the end of the day, i-happiness yakho uyazi ukuthi vele. Wena I feel like
Exactly.
i-maturity yabantu okumele babe layo ukuthi when as long as uwazi ukuthi ijoy yakho uyithatha nga like wakhetha wawazi ukuthi wena ukhetha and amajida sengahleka yebo
Ulalele thina ku-podcast.
like
Namuhla vele this is us talking as real us. Because when
Yeah.
this guy ku-podcast, lesiqala abantu abanezishwapha, siqala abantu
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Amakhamera lawa.
Today
Wena.
is the Maishi Samba show.
Yeah.
Boom. Amashoko makukutu la guys.
Nala amashoko
Oh, God.
makukutu.
Kucha kwesithu mfana. You're on fire today.
Yes, dog. Yes.
Esekuru akatwani anazokanganwa. Twani.
Sekuru akazokangana basikuru. Kodwa
Ipoe ma $3.
direction.
Chama $3. Chama $3 la. Akele chama $3 kasekuru
Ah,
ku-podcast kanjani ke.
kule story osikhulumile e-Bait Bridge ngani sokusenzakala into ezi-off lately bro angazi ukuthi uhamba
Ekonga kuse-Bay Bridge futhi.
ikonke ibise-Bait Bridge zonke uhambe nje ne-Bait Bridge. Bait Bridge men stepped in dispute over Arsenal performance.
Amaganas madoda.
Uyabuza ulithande kunganani ibhora madoda.
Umntu avele isikoridi sakho. Uqeda bekhulume kubi ke.
Hayi lokhu Chelsea ngakara kula abanye babulalela iMenu recently.
I wouldn't be surprised. Because it's going down these days.
iMenu. Kulenye mini
Yeah,
group
bakhona.
engangiyo esigera kwangathi kungabantu abangazaniyo esigera sibili. Kungumember I think ngoMenu umbilo eChelsea.
Because I drop my location.
Like abantu engafunda labo dog. But antu yabona nxa WhatsApp group leni ya isikolo omunye bese segoli. Abantu bagcina befungelana ukuthi singahlangane to.
Ngebhora bro.
Ngiyabhora. Singahlangana lapho sihlangana khona.
Ziyakhanya.
Fuck you up. Ngiyabhora bro. So yeah.
So in a case of football banter gone wrong, a Beitbridge man narrowly escaped death after he was stabbed in the stomach with a knife by his colleague
By his colleague.
while discussing
Vele ngabangani
Arsenal football club's performance.
kanje baluze nini ilidi ku-league.
Like
Just-
I feel like Vele no. I feel like
Yeah,
if Vigile is
yeah.
like it's
I
just
could have.
been
It's just been hectic.
it has been a good week for the haters.
For the haters.
Like
Yeah.
now we hater bro. Like team itholile like
Yeah.
Ama high
like
performers
like-
who have high hopes.
it's
Yibo
bad.
abalimeleyo.
spark. Abantu beLiverpool ugcineni wena kuba so.
Liverpool zwi, Arsenal zwi, iCity la bayichumisa ilizwe.
Omunye umdala kasendi message ngathi sebelithunela iteam but amfuna ukukhuluma ihlamba kahleka sakhala.
Timembe yami ngiyakuncanywa sibili ngomngane wami but asihloniphani. So according to the National Prosecuting Authority, the near fatal stabbing incident occurred 9 April 2024. That was the day Arsenal hosted Bayern Munich in northern London. Where's he going through?
Akuyi-draw.
Abadliwanga bro. Like, bro. Mele shay follow up after i-DVD leyani second leg. Umjida lokho ephila. Wamqedisa.
Umqedisa. Mafia style.
Wamqedisa. Namhla ngathi ngiyananzelela ukuthi akula muntu nathi utshwala. Bemfuna ukubuya lelo bengiliphathele isyringe. Bengiliphathele isyringe. Kanjani
getting so
sasho
weird,
boys?
bro.
Nakho lo muntu engimaziyo ngokuzama lokho.
Ayisaphi.
Ngizamelele ukuzama uzosixoxela.
Ukhona la?
Tshela abantu ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani.
Usizinisazela.
Tshela abantu ukhona la.
Usizinisazela.
Tshela abantu ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani.
So kule style esitsha sokunatha apparently kuthiwa kusarara.
They're saying it's been there.
It's
though,
been there,
even
bro.
with
Oh no,
other
but it has
drugs.
been there because I've seen it in movies, but it's
Yeah.
now catching on these ends.
Ngathi
Yeah.
sokusiba practical.
Ngoba sokulelinye ibizo,
It's
so-
it's so funny. They even caught up to math like
Ndoda.
last 2 years. Like Zim.
Hlala singemuva bro.
Yeah.
Yona
So-
inina nje yabuya ngesikhathi sikaWednesday nama.
But just him
Wait,
going
but
to
you
Pegasus.
guys, have you given context about
Let me
this?
tell-
No, Breeze is
tell the
about to
people
give
what's
people
going on.
context.
Alright.
Yeah.
So there is a way of ingesting alcohol now. They call it boofing.
Yes.
Alcohol buffing.
It's through the what?
You take a syringe
Yes.
and then you take what I presume is maybe njengo angikhono ngelaga lokho. Some njengo and then you,
Like I imagine how many times you have to do it, bro.
you spray it up the
Shove it,
anus and then I assume you clench and
So-
then it marinates.
Google.
You clench, then you sit.
Google it
Kuloku
involves.
tabane lapho.
Okunengi you
Google it involves inserting alcoholic drinks into the rectum through the anus to bypass the body's metabolizing processes.
So basically, you go pay it, but for drunkards.
Yeah. Plus futhi anti awena nxa so like soku ngezinye indlela ma lingabushaya ngesyringe engiliphathele.
Oh yeah. So wanna this is a low budget activity though.
No,
'Cause the
lingabushaya.
funny- You're trying to avoid digestion,
That's
Lana.
why. Lingabushaya ngesyringe. I was a damage liver.
No.
So what damage
I
ya?
was-
Get damage leave.
I was a damage like vele mdala. Lapha into engiyaziyo mawungashaya va iloku
into
zeni.
yaziyo. Sibali.
Research mdala.
Liver, yo, liver, ikhipha ama-toxins kugazi. That's how you fuck it up.
Also maybe
So
still
vele,
engene egazini.
even through the rectum, laba bona they're just saying ukuthi ngonganatha utshwala like 500 ml yotshwala ingihamba esiswini sisilama acids azo lento zazo kulama kule seeds kulama small intestines kuyadlula endaweni eziningi kuze kufike egazini.
But
But
ungakushaya
through
ngedirect.
the ace kuyahle buabsorbeke.
into engiyitshoyo
So
akusadamage liver because xa ushaya direct kumele like i-intake yangikhona iningi kakhulu like ma ushaya direct ukuze udakwe
Sengizi point.
like ma udakwa
So it's less certain.
that is-
Once again, none of us is a doctor here.
ungayishaya no into leyo mina ngiyi-research imbalile ngakho like ungawushaya
So isirinji, just
isirinji
a little bit of alcohol.
siyakwenza like udakwe fast
Equivalent
Equivalent.
yokuchaya 6 beers.
equivalent ade uzayishaya ngelokuzeni ngamabhiya ngu-6
Usebenzisa
ngesirinji ngebhiya eyi-1 suhle vele
That's why I say it's a low budget activity. You're
Yeah,
trying
it's a
to get drunk for less.
so angazi majensi ukuthi usirinji lizo yathi one day
wena le nzeme yakho le nje ayidabuli imagine ufake alcohol injalo mdala yakini.
He can go show you.
There's
There's something that you're messing up.
Definitely.
Something
This
else
is
you're
not
messing
problem
up.
solving.
This is definitely laba hot wire lawo.
Ngathi
sedisituja wengideke ku-podcast laba amajita
ngani ngiyakubona ufike ekhotoni udunusa.
But hey, speaking of, I
Kena
not
so kule
never mind.
booth yangikhona ekhotoni.
I think
Abadumisayo.
there's a Vukuma Manyada.
athini amanye lapho
No.
stop up
No, you know what, right? With this particular establishment, that may or may not have been mentioned. I don't think boofing would work. Ngoba awukwazi utshwala bakufaka phakathi khona ba.
I think if you ngasufake akini lokho ukuthi quality yotshwala kusasebenzi. Uzufake
Yeah,
akini.
nxa
Apana
usifake
nje
akini, I think you've already
vinegar
committed.
nje
Phil.
kumbe.
Asu-committed.
But my point was, do you know like these outlandish methods of taking in drugs and alcohol have always been there. Recently, well, not really recently, a couple of years ago, I heard of something called Bluetoothing. Where they, like, amapara, whatever it is, right? Bengabona ukuthi idoors le, hi, ikwana umuntu oyi-1, ngiyachaya mina. And
this is
then
30 gas lakho
30 gas lam, and then says inject to Ralph.
but I feel like
And then,
futhi
you know, like
izinto
that.
ezinjalo come as a result of addiction bro
Obviously,
like
bro.
you-
Drugs zatamnandi kathi.
Yeah,
Yazi
the-
mina.
like
Yeah, it's
you
I
have
know
done
it.
it all
Item.
I mean, not that I would do, but I'm
Cannot
not.
afford now to have it, so you find other
Hey.
ways to have the shits.
you've done it all like uzukwenzile konke kuma-drugs industry sector lapha like yonke into yenzayo yabona i-feeling oyithola I think ubrizo wayeexplaine le nto le ngokusmoka like i-cigarette i-feeling oyithola ma uyismoka for the first time i-different from ama-cigarettes amanye azalandela
So solokhu igijimisa.
so solokhu uzama ukuthi njani uthole i-feeling leyana yabo but the
Actually, you
fact
know
that
what?
abayitholi i-feeling leya
Ehe.
sebe-resorta to isyringe
Extreme
em-departmentini
A more practical example and is people's journey with uchwala, with alcohol. When you first tried it, it was just a sip. And I don't know about other people, but when I tried, I was like, hey, damn, I saw him. It's not for me. And then you try it again, you try and finish a bottle, like whether it's a cider or a beer. Sweet. And then ungani kuyakuthatha kwinto wakhona. Ilokhu zeniyiwanye na yana.
How?
incedile wamncishikuma
Ukhuluma inyosa.
And then after that, then you increase it to 2, and then you increase it to 3. And then ngelinye ilanga uzafika kwi-level yabanye abantu okuthiwa ngama-German tank. Uthi hayi mina vele mina.
Ezinatha amajombo lawa nebhaye bila amajombo.
Hawu.
it's personal
Wow.
uyayibona ukuthi it's a spiritual attack
Sengene ephendini.
Akula muntu esingakukhuzanga. Akhuza bonke abantu laba bajombe bhawa.
Siyakhuza amajeni.
Kuza bonke
So
abantu
I think even with drugs, right? Basically, what these guys are trying to do is like chase the same like level of high. And unfortunately, the human body, it being a very marvelous creation, it adapts.
kuthiwa ijemaseni imnandi akini kweyizabo
Tonic, litesha ngetonic. Leke lizabe etesha.
isayidesha ngetonic
Usamele umchemo wena.
Zabe yomdiviri lapho.
mnobhayiza imeme bafaya
Akungifaki itoti lapho. Ungafaki i-ice izaqandisa.
Nebethi kona no bona bekuthi thoti ngabe ngisaqala ukunatha.
Ungevela amajita amayesehle emoteni. Athi asungevele menzanile ngesiri.
China mathotha ayile manje. Basifika ngale vele sesirayi.
Imagine into le isinorm le ebhasi uthiwa asihambise ibhufu thoyezelo chero mude lambe ledunusa ngani. Oh wait.
But I feel like bro, ngendlela like umhlaba also messed up ngakhona.
So ngaba normal.
Chicken in the next 10 years.
Yeah.
Abantwana esizabazala.
Bangena phakathi kulama kitchen uthi ngama kitchen alidala ana ngawo kuyefaka ebhufu.
Oh, VIP,
Right
right.
there,
Four syringes.
Force ranges
Reusable syringes.
of poofing.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah,
it's crazy,
sisekakeni
boys. It's
bangani
crazy.
bami.
Hey, literally.
Singaphi?
Ngikaze indlela i-JP yakhuluma ngayo ufika labaqala bokuthi thothi ngale. Thothi ngale.
Ashayana amathoti. By the time sifika ngale zabe sesishapa.
That was funny, bro. Ingekuthi ngimkhanyile visual.
You're saying?
Oh yeah. Just on a lighter note, like, hey, not even on a lighter note, bro. What gets lighter than this? But anyway, I was on the TL today. I was on the timeline. Of course, checking out the Zim 44 thing, right? Then I bumped into like a joke. It was a picture of this young girl, right? With 20 logos in good to a black label, a nut, right? And then someone was like, guys, I'm concerned. What advice do you have for this young lady? Then omunye umuntu I think wakobula wathi hayi kayibambe
Ngentamo.
ukuthi ngajisa.
Echisa isifika lo.
Kubeka. Actually, on a sad note, angazi khona ubone i-story lesiyana just trend of a pastor who has been dating.
Dude.
A 16-year-old.
She's 16 now, but the relationship has been going on for the past 4 years, bro.
So it means from 12.
12.
Hayi bo.
I know uthola umntwana onamangala uzamubona. Either way, the whole story is dark vele. But uthola ukuthi ngqa umntwana ke kulamanga inceba le 6-8 months but ngona something 4 years. Ngoba like she looks like she has a really big boner for cloud chasing. Ngendlela kwenza ngayo umntwana. But this is not too
Or maybe udala ubizama ukuthi 4 months.
But
this
either
is
way,
not to
either
downplay
way,
pedophilia, the pedophilia that's happening. That's all I wanted to say, dog.
yes. Either way, noma vele 1 week, noma vele 4 days.
Amanyala.
That brew is married. Why are you?
Bro,
Inabantu
sesingasabalo-
umtshado i-PR wrong.
Sesingasabala ukuthi umarried.
Yini eliningi
Vele noma
umtshado i-PR wrong?
esingili dog.
Umntwana omncane lo.
Umntwana omncane ndoda.
Umntwana omncane ndoda utsho mlwana wonke uyakhanya ukuthi idolo lakhe liyakhanya ukuthi lile file enetkele la.
Yeah, unambona isandla.
Isandla lesana sile file eclinic lesiya.
Hayi VAT child, hayi.
Mara unye
visual
mbone
AIDS test.
ngibone i-tweet I think
Vele even isandla zakhona bezikhanya lezenze
I-visual
apartheid.
testing vele uyafeyila.
I think benguSol asithi njengomzali bro. Umntana wakho ubuye endlini as a 16-year-old ubuya le iPhone 15 Pro Max.
edula ukudlula umholo wakho likely yeah.
Uthini wena as a parent?
This is where you see,
What are
right?
you saying,
Uthi, asikhulanga okufana nayo. Like our generation, I don't know about you guys. I couldn't bring foreign shit into the house.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Babe ambuza ukuthi andivele kuvela ngaphi khonoko, right?
Yeah,
But I-
bahamba futhi quick fast.
ngiyakhumbula even ngesikhathi sama-TV game kwakumele like
Eh.
ucele sibili ukuthi awuzibani ole TV game uthe namhla ufuna ukunika like you don't just pull up with shit and
Yeah,
start
no,
connecting and
no, yeah, one.
I've
But
heard about you.
I kind of feel like, and this is one thing that I think all of us here know this for a fact. The level of ubufebe, for lack of a better term, that's going on right now is actually parent sanctioned.
Some of it, yes.
Yes.
Some of it, yes. Umzali ebekwazi usebenzi we.
Eh, umzali Jeki yabebone a ticket out of
Uvusile
poverty,
imoto.
bruh. Ebebone ukuthi how right. Okay, fine. This guy is
I
he's a
look
predator.
Sorry. But mawukhangela ukuthi khona ke this happened in South Africa, right?
Yeah.
But ama rights angale madoda achiyene mntana. Umntwana wakho ngeke the moment uqalisa ukubuza umntwana wakho la seqalisa ukuphendula sokutshela ngama rights akhe and stuff like
Uyabethwa
that.
madoda.
Khona lapho ungavile ukukhuluma indaba yokubetha kona ngosukungena inkingeni. Yeah, yabona into yakhona. Ama rights
ngiyangena
asebelawo
nje,
abantwana kathesi yiyo affected.
Ithini age of consent ngale? Because thina ethi ku-18 lapha ngale incethe ku-16 zomntwana yathi abe ngidlale nge-4 years. Sile 2 weeks siqale sithi.
Still, man, it's
very disturbing,
yeah,
but if legally
actually, you know what, you could be right, could be because ours was previously 16 as well.
or 16
and they wanted to drop it
Yeah.
but yeah
Yeah.
Fortunately for us. But anyway, guys, if you watch this podcast and you're attracted to kids, fuck you, dog. Fuck you, dog. Come on, guys. Yeah, guys, you can't be attracted to kids. Come on, hey? Enough has been said about pedophilia. Come on.
Yabona wena Nollywood la.
Hayi le dating le yethusa le because wena usicabanga ukuthi khona silaba nawo bethu mdala.
Some of these things go back khona kana okhulunywa ngomgcini. Social media. Yazi team, mina I wasn't even worried about that kid. Of yena vele we can't save him now.
What the fuck?
We can save him now. But kulabanye abantu who look up to that kid.
And that
laba
lifestyle.
bahawukela ama
And
iPhone.
yeah.
Ozafika khoniswe ngumuntu omdala like kusasa and unfortunately for that mntwana umuntu omdala lwana uzabe ngelale iPhone and umntwana will get into shit for nothing. So I was really worried about that thing ukuthi ripple effect ela. Lwana of course yeah so statistics maybe sangathola uncedo kale sikhosi sikwazi. But kulabanye abantu actually look up to because when Instagram has a lot of followers. Bro.
Yeah. People clap for that kind of behavior.
Yeah,
It made her
kulabanye
popular.
abantwana kare la sesithi hayi osebone ngani boyfriend yakhala kare seyisize yakhe is useless.
Emthengela amajiggies ngebreak.
Sefunge edingethe ngipizza.
And in all honesty, that girl looks like she was having a good time the whole time. So, I wouldn't be surprised if Yena, where she is, everyone else is just fucking up a good thing for her.
Yes.
You know, same kwatele thina. Thina CTC.
If Liana Vuitin Liana spare the road, la prison.
Spare the road, spoil the child.
Yeah, that one.
You
Imbama.
beat, don't
And
spank.
we all have video lo mama nke betweka ku
Exactly.
TikTok. So people
Yeah.
are like
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's why I say
parents.
parents.
Yeah, man,
Sanctions, bro.
Yena, where she's actually having a good time. We are fucking this thing up for her.
Yeah, we're just
But
being
exposing this.
However, as shocked as we are, right? I think you should paint a bigger picture. Someone commented, the way they put it, of course, it wasn't it was a bit misogynistic, but they were talking about the fact that abantu abaningi lapha they are shocked that this girl ule plays her, but they lost their virginities to
Older guys.
Omemba Bemchova for free rides. You know, that kind of
During
thing.
high school, remember, yeah.
Exactly. And
Ezingowindi za collect amadoda.
so I'm not saying every woman went through that, but it happens so much that it's become a stereotype.
And bro, that time Windy bangala senti bro.
Oh, and we're la lutho.
When I think about it now, mina ngaba nguwindi kathesa. Anti osehlekile. Ngaba nguwindi, I wonder ukuthi yiba mina ngaqeda kahle kahle.
Awekho kunye kufuna ube part of the community to understand.
Udango part of the community mina.
Yabo Windy.
Okay.
Because into efani ukuthi ingqondo zethu zazilimited to extent ukuthi sasingakwazi ukuthi uyindi lo driver actually report to umnikazi wemoto.
Vele
It's not even their
ngongafiki.
car.
Bro,
You're being,
ngongafiki
it's
ekhaya.
not even
Their
being
car,
smacked for nothing, bro.
I think when you want umuntu ehlale bali imali esithi. Cause William, to be honest guys.
Plus bro, umchova mawuthuthusha igqom elinye heavy kahle.
Kuhle kuthiwa nabo uzohlala phambili.
Yabo.
Yeah, preferential treatment.
Okay.
You want
Kanti
to
to passenger princess baqala ngaphi?
preferential treatment. That's what
Okay,
we want.
bizo ungowindi
Nabo
kulokhu
exile.
Nxa ekhona uWilliam obukelayo ukuthi
Focus.
podcast le. We just want to say kanti nxa bekhona uWindy labo driver umchumo.
ngabheja mina la.
Mina
uhlubone vele uwindedle uma ungena emjoveni uthi kona mbe hlala emuva siye empini.
Nxa kulo William. Nxa kulo William obukile podcast le.
Kuzitsho mzakho zishiya abantwana.
Ngiya-offer ukubhadala like i-prepay one for umuntu onke. Ukusupport i-business yakhe. Mayikhona
$8
William.
mcini.
Eh.
Imali hayi 18. Inga.
8 bucks.
Ikhathi imchovu yanga. Hlala kanafana.
Anyway, kala sacina ukuyigada maybe yakhwela.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, akutricky.
Mina
ini
into William Lee is actually now only blowing my mind because I think I went past that stage ngingananzeleli and now that you are bringing it up it's actually blowing my mind.
So connected.
Blind.
Oh Windy bro.
Hey,
But
but
nanga
pedophile, yeah.
I remember all
Keep
la mabizo. Like all forecast.
Shit happens.
All bosigelekeqe.
Sika mareza.
Mdala.
Exile.
Thutsha lapha sokufikisa ukushiya idum. Ongabantwana kwe hey manje ngaqamba isikolo.
Na studies
Popo
saphela
mali.
lapha
Definitely Popo ngokuthi imali aba.
Lalela dog empopho mavele sasingayi-enjoy ijeni because yey halfway.
Too short.
Too short. Yathi lokhu ngena phakathi emotweni vele usufikile.
Safe.
Ababesuka layo from le besivila besithatha zethu singena thina
Ivele
sibona
luve
ama-
vele.
odlaza mshunqisi
sesithola abantu vele yazi bephonga kuba happy phakathi yabo
kusaduma ingoma
Actually, I want to expound on what I said. Ngiqale ngathi nxa bekhona uWilliam lapha or ngakhona uTrevor.
angiyazidalela bangani bami angila mali
Nansi mina semfuna ukuyibring up. Nxa bekhona ochera abavukela i-podcast le. Abake bagayo uWilliam.
bangavuma
Akula mntu ongavuma.
manje uchera ngathi ngacomment athi mina ngahlabisa uWindy ku-comment
Ngathi bayala
section.
lembinga
Mana
mdala.
zathi so.
ngathi le mbinga bengavubenge
Nxa bekhona abahlabisa uWilliam.
It's my cousin.
Nxa bekhona
Klinika.
abahlabisa uWilliam. How do you feel now? Or is it one of those things that now you can go back and say, man, I was taken advantage of?
I was thinking, ngomnandi William
Mina ngangadlelwa njengami sengiqambanga. Njengoba khona
lathi nje kuwini vele ama-crashes vele ayengasikhangeli nto ngendaba zamawini
Kodwa nguMax owayechovise Petra le. I think, but he might. I think, if I'm not mistaken, he passed away. I think I read it in the paper. R.I.P.
RIP Mark
Max.
Max
I don't know what beat so.
Garage
Anyway, he left. James.
on a sad note
yeah shame so
Stay
yeah
clinical too.
Breeze when into le ikhuluma le is actually interesting. I think it's how the world is moving these days ukuthi nxa sithi maybe William sokuthola kathi umember lona wenguWilliam use maybe se-campaign yokuba ngu-president and ungani is on track ukuthi awine, then these girls start coming up now
What did Crunch up on the 15 PM never?
ngani le 15
yeah,
years
because that time phela bengala social
ungumates.
media abantu bebengekho aware futhi
Karma,
lokuthi
James, can I ask?
How do you even address that?
Eh.
Because labo labana we know andithi sasifunda labo ukuthi baba behamba
Machel.
ngoWilliam.
I-statutory isebenza wena ngawumdala nti. Then ngoba let's say mina ngande 15 nele 14. Laba mbuzela amajita.
I feel like sidinga abantu bomthetho ukuthi ba
Oh yeah,
So
how
can I
does
say
it work?
underage is statutory?
Ngalonke liku same age
Ngoba if that's true, a lot of people might go. But it's just that maybe because it was consensual, maybe umuntu
asambe siyo research ngakho then come back
ngalonke lile 15
lonke lile 15 it's consensual, then it's like
You
if the
babe.
person says no we were yawenza ama high school relationship we were in form 3 umjita watutsi guteti.
but William were around 18 19 that time. That's when
But I'm
we
taking that out of the equation. I'm talking about when ngesikhathi ku form 3
uchero wakho uthandana la
uchayi oil ku form 2,
Usunuki
Lucky
umuntu.
which is I assume
nukala
ufase yanuyisa gang yo
azwanini lapha machance nukala
ungasijwayeli but vele zikubhike dayo yo legend
lokena lokho is statutory.
But I think one thing that we're also failing to see lapha njengamachita, right?
kumuntu esingakusiza
ngangikhuza wonke umuntu
Hey, akona.
Uthini
Yes,
squash?
so I was saying, I think one thing that maybe we're failing to see here and is impilo, like from the eyes of a baddie. Tina was shocked because I don't know whether we've done it, but we've never been in situations whereby, you know, for us to progress in life, we need to exchange like sexual favors.
Actual qinisile.
Yabo. So yeah, and when I nqawukhangele nje uthi J body count yakhe. Only remember that, but you know it's just another day, bro.
plus ngathi
Like it's so
software-
simple.
like
It's-
ngathi software lamabhedi alihambi kahle ngesikhathi kudala babe metsiso owindi yabo sathi ukuthi isikolo saba ngowindi karesi sebefuna amajitambani kanti bafunani kahle kahle
sikaba lama company amsho bayasebefuna abanye
Babe sebefuna
Abadlala
ama-
idiski. Abadlala idiski. Yiko kuthiwa ungalandela ifomula yamabhedi vele uyindawo. Wena cha yakho baza kulanda
Yeah.
sebedecide.
you always be
uzaba
chasing.
yeah like
Baza kulanda
wena
sebedecide.
ungazipositiona sharp strategically
Ngoba
position
le mali
yourself
because ucabanga amajita kathi kuthiwa lazy actor or lazy ucabanga ingce kudala yisayimembe egideli iyasa amabhedi engayibambisi yabo and then kathi so blind then sesikubambisa so sokusiya ukuthi ukulevel liphi
ha
of
but
whatever
imali
crime
majenza
they do.
mali majenza mali kade
It's important.
but anyways in closing State Clinical to retrench 236 employees and close up to 9 cinema complexes in South Africa due to notable decline in attendance.
Yeah.
We all saw this coming. We all saw this coming.
Ngingumuntu wama house meetings.
Amachitas.
Yeah, ngingumuntu weflu mina. Kuyamele sikhulume Simbathile endlini esitekini inkosi yaseslide.
And I wouldn't be surprised because I remember even in 2018 I had to read up on how Ster-Kinekor stayed in business. They'd actually come up with a great module since around the year 2000 when VCRs and DVDs became a thing. However, into Karape they mostly be COVID, which was not anticipated. What they did was they moved structures from selling movies because they realized people can buy movies in the comfort of their home.
Yeah.
We box office now, Netflix or whatever the fuck. So they sold the experience. So it's like, anyway, this service industry has moved. Not even service industry, anyway. It's like from being product-based to being experience-based. Because the reason we all still go to a bar, even though i-radio ila endlini, i-fridge ila endlini, utshwala yakho nsibala endlini, why is it a bar? For the experience. So once you start formulating your business around being experience-based, you can bypass that. So they made going to the movies a cool experience, which is why umuntu even angakwazi uyi-download the-movie ubekhetha kuye-Ster-Kinekor. But basebesiba lo mnyama okuchawa i-COVID.
Esitekini kumele nje benze imbheda kawani phakathi lapha.
Andibe ibhebhana.
You go bit.
Ipep and chill. Siyahamba.
But another thing, right? The rise of streaming services is, I think that's, I knew there was COVID, but I think now, if I'm not mistaken, everyone here either has a Netflix account or has access to one.
I have access to
Right,
so
yeah.
many accounts.
So think about it, bro. Like, you've got Netflix, Showmax, Apple TV. You know, like you've got literally no reason at all to go to the cinema besides the experience.
But I'll tell you, dog, they'd actually survived this because Netflix has been around for a while.
Yeah.
When I look on 2018, they'd actually circumvented that. They'd survived streaming platforms.
By creating an experience.
But what happened was, COVID took away that experience, and people had a year and a half of just sitting at home, and it became okay to sit at home. And that's why I think Ster-Kinekor got
I think
defeated.
in reality
Lami Netflix ngaba serious ngaye nge-lockdown.
Lockdown yetsha ilokuze nini basurvive ama-streaming.
ngingabe ngangaso like nga experience ukuyabukela ama movies MCU like kuma movie house that time because khona ngabukele recent. But I could see ama reactions wabantu lendlela ile traction at ikhona that time kuphuma Avengers bro like,
Infinity War.
yebo but I say come movies anjalo.
The MCU
Like-
also, there was some article I read with the MCU actually has kept cinemas alive
Yebo.
for the last 4 years.
Yeah,
If it
but-
wasn't for MCU, vele kube esikukhuluma ngokwenza
Gareth yiphi movie okuthiwa iyaphuma sonke like sibe
Black Panther. Yakhona Black Panther iphuma ndoda.
wonke umuntu ayefuna
Abantu babe
ukuyi-escape
nje ndoda.
wonke umuntu ayefuna
Yeah.
ukuyi-escape bro.
For 2 weeks, I
Ngikhumbula
remember.
ngaswela
Yeah.
ama-tickets man. Twice.
yabo so
As
garesi
well as that
akula like movie ephuma ile cult following like that
Yeah.
maybe nci Deadpool asazi
Maybe,
but
still.
amboni because akula
Majensi yazi mina Infinity War. Ngathi ngifika ngathenga ama-tickets ayi-2 like ngathenga ka-3 ka-8 same time cause ngangikwazi vele ngizathi ngiqeda ngizafuna ukuyiprint imovie le ngangena isession ka-3 ngaphuma ngayedeni ngaphenga for isession ka-8 ka-7 or something but I can't think of a movie I would do that for.
asekho vele ama-movie plus
Bepheka imbozo.
Gojara Kick-Ass Torrents
When it comes to indaba ye-Netflix,
Netflix
Ster-Kinekor, kunzima kakhulu ngoba even kathi as we speak, DSTV is also struggling. They're only surviving ngama sports, live sports, live sports because if you check
But
other
nakhona-
things and other stuff, really, most of the people they prefer Showmax, they prefer Netflix.
yeah Showmax now is coming with the
Showmax is coming.
football streaming there.
Exactly. So ama streams lawa afake khona in blind. So for them ukuthi khona bevale angcono beninga ama church.
No bro yilokuzeni yikho bona khona vele at some point nxa uyi-business if you fail to adapt to what's happening
Yeah,
at that
you know
time
what-
fanana even le podcasting yona le indlela esipodcasta ngayo at some point kebe izokupodcasta maybe nci abantu bese-Dubai or abantu
Through the S.
abantu bedlala ngesirinji
Bebufa.
yabo kebe sokungasayenzi yabo even le antikho okwabulala
Radio,
no man
newspaper,
this phone BlackBerry
Blackberry.
yabo wehluleke ukukhipha up lelo kuzeni le-iPhone zathutsha upgrade ama-software lahana efoni sikwanisa ukwenza yonke into ngefoni wena badecide ukustika to i-business model lawo la ngenkani
Yeah.
that's what you pay bro and anyways love and lie to
I
them
think they should try. I think Ster-Kinekor should try other things, especially sport. Can you imagine if they can host a final in Champions League?
But sesifuna utshwala so kumele bebe nama-liquor license.
Ngithe mina kuhle kube ngamahhotela
Hayi
vele.
but ngiyakuzwa but
Stay Kiniko Airbnb.
hey
Technical Airbnb.
ube nama bewenze ama-room like kube i-complex le-40 rooms so kwase this weekend isilandu uloku but kule bar
Bana khona into yabona le i-context ye South Africa. We don't know what's like sasamenzi yobala sibona what's happening.
Worldwide, yes.
Worldwide,
Because
yeah.
so maybe
guys,
maybe the company is still doing well.
abakazi screen
The
ama-podcast
story lapha.
Story before we go. I think we're left with 2 minutes. So
all right, quick story. That's a few weeks ago, and Masal, right? And I work in real estate, and so
vele usebenza madoda.
isikhothise amapheki lapho
anongena isikhothise lapho
ama property.
ama-property.
so anyway, ngangimtshela ukuthi about to these days like they're turning.
that
Yeah,
one
the
that
city,
one
I know
yes
it's
isikhothise
Anongena isikhothise
Anyway, ngangimtshela ukuthi abantu these days bayakha izindlwane and they're turning them into Airbnbs. You know, it's actually like a fast growing business. Actually, just a little side bar. We're nearly Airbnb at 350.
Oh, that one.
That one, yes. Hey.
Nah. Straight faces.
Yeah.
straight face
I think Elkates vele anything with food, ukudlana, ukudla.
No, plus bro, Mount said at the end of the day, our prices phezulu for something. Like there is no complaint. Ukuthi uyabonga afford. Yibilo ibeef ekhona between the broke guys and the baddies yabo. Ama broke guy afuna amabhedi. Siyafuna amabhedi bro. But
Trip ama-bed ukuthi ayehlisa ama-standard.
ukuthi bona bafuna
ivevu yani.
pilsner
Asitshaya ipisi nalapho kanti uyahlala.
ama prices.
Not a beer.
Ama prices vele ungabona su complainer.
Yeah.
Ngendaba zama prices. Especially ku social media.
uzuqedile abana
No. Yeah. Vela teka kangeni ku stories zakho. So I was explaining then like at some point ngasegwe ku conversation from endabeni zemali and ngathi masa you know kuma BNB abantu bazijayela ama game night line azathi yena mntwana yanti njothi angikwazi ukuthi kenzakala kuma BNB.
People.
And she actually knows.
I think it's not something that's created by us.
isithi platform masana
Vele like abazali bahlakaniphe kakhulu. Wena abadala lelo bone ngana babone ezinye izinto. Babo wena bro. Just
Fana lathi singabadala so umntana namithi ye sile party lapha sizimembe ezi3 lapho chira bayi10. Mina ndo mngane ongovuyi top. I'll be knowing top. I'll be knowing.
Operation.
Abangako lawa. But anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe this video. Follow us on our social media. Apparently kuthiwa kumele sizi intro but it's too late vele because kusekugcineni. Lo muntu ekhale sithi abasazi ukuthi asikhuluma ngokuthi Me, I'm Tato. This one is Warabile, my brother.
Satan. Thank you for tuning in to the mic.
Sure.